I didn't even. It just automatically like when I was signing up, it automatically put me on that. I didn't even get see the
Yeah, but
option.
that's the thing, you were supposed to select trial like that. Can you use a different email address and sign up?
Let's see, cause
Yeah,
I
and
was
then you can share your screen so I can guide you through it.
okay. Hold on. Share screen. Continue. Okay. So let me
Yeah.
go ahead and cause I already got and
Let's see here.
I got two accounts basically. The first one wouldn't let me do it. Then this one is the one that it automatically put me on the show. I'll make another one.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to, but that account isn't gonna. Here, let me see if I can. Uh, yeah, you've got to. First of all, you have to keep in mind that this isn't something that. Wait a minute, 1 second. I'm coming over there.
Uh-huh.
Were you able to? Wait a minute, one moment. Let me go through this.
Mm-hmm.
Raphael, were you able to set up your Zapier account? Were you able to set up yours?
I can't hear him. Is he on mute?
Not yet. My laptop had
Okay.
problems, so I'm trying to get it back running. Right.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So first of all, do you have a different email address?
I have multiple, yes. So I have multiple
So let's go
emails.
ahead and sign out of this. Let's go ahead and sign out of this, and
Okay, let's see
let's do a
where it's
different one.
signed out. Let's
So you can sign out. Go scroll up to the top.
page. Yes. Oh, there we go. Log out. Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Hey,
Hello.
Fuchsia.
Hey, Fisher.
Hello. Hey. How's
Yeah,
everyone doing today?
going good.
Good.
Okay. Your
Okay,
pen
cool.
working? Not working?
No, it's just that the prompt letting me know I can turn it into a pen won't go away, and it's
Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Okay.
in my way. But it's okay. Yeah, I'm still because the device is well. I guess I don't know.
Yeah.
But anyway, so yeah, so let's go ahead and sign up.
Okay. Sign
No, no,
up.
no, 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 no. Sorry, sorry,
Oh,
sorry, sorry.
snap.
Hit the back button. Hit the back button. Sorry, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, hit the back button. Okay, go to pricing.
Got a pricing.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's loading. There you go.
And now scroll down. Now go ahead and select try free under starter.
Try free.
And now go
See,
ahead
it's
and no, 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 no,
automatically.
no, no, no.
Yeah,
No,
automatically
no,
just
not
signing
right
me.
now. Not right now.
Oh,
Not right
okay.
now. Go ahead and not right now.
Okay.
Not
Not
hit
right
not right
now.
now. Yep. There you go. Now go ahead and sign up with a fresh account,
Okay.
and you'll be good to
So,
go. All right. Let me go back to my
let's
desk.
which one? I think I've used this one and this one, I think. So, no, this one and this one. Let me try. Well, do I got that? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna click this and it'll let me know if it's already one, right?
Wait a minute. 1 second. Sorry, I'm trying to get this controller
Uh,
set up and
okay.
stuff so it can go. Okay. Now, sorry about that.
If I click on one of these, it'll let me know if it already has an account, right?
No. Well, so I would. Have you used these for signing up for the account?
Yeah, I'm not sure which one of these I use. Well, I know I've used this one before. I'm not sure what the other one is that I've used though.
Hey.
Cause I got, like I said, I
Um.
got so many. I
So
don't.
go ahead and try one. Just go ahead and try
Okay,
one.
let
Let's
me
see what
try
it
one.
does. If worst come to worst, then I'll give you an email address to use. So okay, so
Okay,
go ahead and
okay,
just go ahead and update your password so it keeps it in here for you.
okay.
But yeah, just
I can skip this,
so
right?
yeah, you can no 1 through 49. Go ahead and do 1 through 49. Just do IT
Okay.
and then scroll
Then I'm
down,
gonna continue.
continue.
Yeah, I can
Okay,
skip
so
this.
can you skip past this? Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and skip.
Okay.
And now, boom, you ready?
All
Okay.
right. Awesome.
Woohoo.
Woo! I
We
wish I
can't
can
do
do
it.
confetti in there.
we can't do
Yeah.
any of it. I wonder why
Yeah,
this doesn't
man.
let this won't go away. Flip your controller in order
Oh,
to
damn.
start
Uh-oh.
drawing.
Yeah, yep. Your thing started turning into a pen. Yeah.
I know,
It's in
but I've
pencil.
got a prompt right here that won't go away.
It ain't a checkbox that say don't show again.
No, okay, it just went away. I guess it heard me
Oh, okay.
complain about it.
I see what you're
Okay, we've
saying.
got Raphael doing his meditation, and
Okay, it said, well, see, this says free plan. It doesn't say the trial.
no, 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 no. Manage plan. Let's see.
See, yeah, it don't say
Manage.
I'm in.
Let me see. It does say you're on fleet plan. Let's
Yeah, this says the free plan. It don't
hit
say.
manage plan right here. Let me see what it
Okay,
says.
manage plan. Yeah, see, yeah, this is one that's already an account man. Okay,
Yeah, you already had an account for this one,
okay,
so
so
try
let
your
me.
different one then.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah, so
try a
sign
different
out
one.
of this one.
Okay,
Yeah,
so let me.
every time I use it as a pointer, I get that prompt
I see.
and it won't go away.
Yeah,
Yeah,
started
so
trial
yeah, and then
free.
use one of your different
Hey, what's
accounts.
up,
Hold on,
everybody?
What's
make it
going
bigger.
on?
DJ Marcus, how's it going?
Hey, DJ Marcus.
Hello, everyone that's
Can't
spawning
complain.
in.
Okay, not
So
bad.
yeah, just yeah, use
So
a
I'm gonna
different.
use. I don't want this. Well, okay. Two. I don't want to use that one. Okay, I'm gonna say sign up with Google. Then I'm gonna use.
You can stop
Um,
sharing so you can sign in
okay,
privately.
Yeah.
okay,
I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my desk, and we'll give it. We've got 3 more minutes before the official start time. So I will go ahead and get sharing.
okay.
How's it going? So you signed up now?
I'm still signing in. Alright,
Testing,
see
testing.
if this works. Okay. How about customers? IT. I'm gonna say IT. Continue. Skip this. Okay, see? In it, I want to. Oh, you still sharing real quick.
That's me sharing.
Oh, yeah, that's you sharing this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing still, it's put automatically put me on a professional plan. What in the
You're on
world?
the professional plan? That's fine.
Yeah,
No, remember in your video. Yeah, I remember in your video you was on the professional plan. That one was fine. Yeah, I just remember. You had succeeded.
yeah.
Yeah, that you can stay
Okay.
on the professional plan. I just need everyone to not be on the free plan.
Oh, okay.
Because
Okay.
yeah, the free plan has limitations, and we're going to
Okay.
use a couple of zaps today that are not available
Okay.
in the free plan. Now,
Okay.
for anyone, so here's the thing. Zapier is a tool that some of you may want to use, some of you may not want to use.
Mm-hmm.
And so we'll find that out by maybe the end of this session, maybe the next session. But either way it
Mhm.
goes, between this session and next session, we'll discover the people that want to continue using it. Those people, by then, I will move you over to my team account. So I will set up a team account. That way, anyone that wants to keep using Zapier and exploring it, and we keep digging further into it,
Mhm.
you will have access to all of the premium features, but will not have to pay for it.
Okay. Awesome.
For
Thank you.
anyone else that's not going to deal with the Zapier, then what I'll do for you is I'll just set your WordPress site up to be able to send mail, and then you'll just be able to receive email notifications
Mm-hmm.
whenever someone submit your form or do something on your website. So one more thing to note is that what I plan to do is by next session, we all maybe next session we connect your domain names. So maybe
Okay.
by then all of your websites will be finished being built, and you'll be ready to connect your domain name. So we'll spend the session kind of doing that and tidying things up so that
Yes.
you can launch your
Mm-hmm.
websites. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right.
The only thing my website is missing is a contact page. I
Okay,
just
yeah,
don't
and
know
you'll
how to.
be able to make that. You'll be able to, and Zapier will help you be able to do that as well.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, cool. All
So
right,
is everyone ready for me to begin?
I'm ready.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for starters, the way I think it's best to do this is I'm going to make a zap and everyone just follow along. But
Mm-hmm.
before I get started, I want everyone to be on this screen right here. Now, I have created a folder for WordPress and Workrooms apps because I've got a lot of other zaps that are in. You see, I've got folders over there and stuff.
Mhm.
But for you, you won't have any folders, but you'll have like you need to go to your zaps page. So
Okay.
yeah, and so once you get on that zaps page, you'll be at the point where you will start once I stop. Okay, but what we'll do is you'll start sharing. We'll do like we've always done. So let's begin. Okay. So, when it comes to Zapier, the point of Zapier is to connect one application to another application or multiple applications. And so, with the free account, you're able to connect two applications together, but you're limited. You can't connect like premium Zaps. And since you're using Gravity Forms, we're going to use a Gravity Form Zap. And the Gravity Form Zap is a premium Zap. So, free users aren't able to access it. So, in order to start, we just simply click the create button right here and then select new zap.
Okay, hold
And
on.
that's going to open us up on a screen where now this what would you like to automate area, you can play with that. But me personally, I have not used that part. That is Zapier's attempt to squeeze AI into every aspect of its application, just like everyone else is doing right now. So
Mm-hmm.
that's just their attempt to help you create Zaps by using AI. Maybe it will be helpful to all of you since you are new to Zapier. But I think that Zapier is easy enough to find what you want to connect. But maybe that AI will help some of you and you can play with it. But below that, you've got a trigger and you have an action. So anytime you create a Zap, the first thing you have to think about is what is starting the process? That's your trigger. So in this case, our trigger is going to be the gravity form that we created last week. So that's going to be the trigger. So we want
Oh,
that when that form is submitted to send the email to me. So the first thing I've got to do is log into that. Sorry about that.
oh no, no. Was I here last week?
Yes, you were.
I forgot. There's so much stuff done happened that like I'm like I'm like was
so
I here?
So in order to connect Zapier to my website, the first thing we have to do is go to add-ons
Go to add-ons.
and then go to Zapier, which is going to be way down here at the bottom. Click install and activate plugin. Okay.
Hold on.
Once we activate the plugin, we come under Gravity
Hold
Forms.
on. Can you want the how you want go to add-ons
Go to
on
add-ons.
go to forms go to forms
Yeah, under Gravity Forms, you can go
and
to
then
add-ons.
add-ons.
You
Okay,
want? Do you all want to follow along with me? Is that
I
better? You
do.
think we should do it that way?
I do.
Okay, yeah, let's do it that way then. Sorry about that. If anytime you all think that it would be better to do it a different way than I proposed, just let me know because I do not know what's best. By no
Uh-oh.
means. So just let's continue. First of all, we should not run into the issue that we ran into in the first class. The server should be able to handle everyone keeping it up. Um,
Mm-hmm.
as you finish, as you add the Zapier add-on, raise your hand so I can move on to the next step.
Okay,
Yeah, y'all are good. I gotta follow along.
let me see the.
hmm And if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll answer it
Oh,
for
hold
you.
on. You said gravity. Where's gravity forms? Do I just is this somewhere I can type it in?
What are you looking for? Gravity
On
forms?
the
Yes,
dashboard.
I'm
Yeah,
looking
like
for.
how do you
Oh,
get
here it
back
is.
to it on the
So if you go to your dashboard, it's under
uh-huh.
media. So
Forms.
look under media, you'll see forms.
Uh-huh.
Okay, got it.
And
Forms.
then when you hover over forms or if you click it, you'll see add-ons.
Okay, I'm on that page.
Okay.
Greetings, Maddie. Would you like to get caught up? So right now you want to get your Zapier open and you want to get logged into your website. And then once you get logged into your website, I will show you how to add the Zapier add-on. Okay. I think you're on mute. We can't hear you.
I have a lot going on over here. Can you hear
Oh,
me?
yes, I can. Sorry about
Okay, lot going on over here. So I'm going to try to follow along as best as I can. Hi,
that.
guys. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hey.
Good to see you
Hello.
guys. You too.
Mhm.
Thank
No
you,
problem.
Rich.
Yeah, I'm on that page you on right now, Rich.
Okay.
Okay. Me
Have you
too.
added the Zapier add-on?
Okay.
Oh, it's the Zapier add-on. Okay. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
snap. It's at the bottom. Oh, snap. That's what it is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see
Okay,
added.
so I go to Zapier add-on, and I click install.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Click install and then you'll click activate. It'll take you to another screen and you'll click
Then
activate.
activate plugin. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then once you've done that, you can just hold tight right there.
Okay. I'll stay on the screen. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How do we get back to that screen? Because I
Which
left it and came back.
which one?
I'm there with you right now where it
Mm-hmm.
says active. So how
Oh,
do
so
I
you've
go?
got active.
Uh-huh.
So you can go to if you want, you can just click forms. If everybody wants to just get on the forms page, we'll all just
Okay.
start from that point.
Yeah, mine says plugins. It's on the plugins
Right,
page.
yeah, and then you click activate. Did you click activate after that? Activate plugin.
I got it.
Yeah, I already activated the plugin.
Okay,
It's
so
just
after
taking
you've
me to a
activated the
page on plugins.
right, so now that you've
Showing me.
activated the plugin, go ahead and hover over forms and just click forms, and it'll take you to the screen that I'm on now.
Okay, let's see. Forms. Click forms. Okay.
And
Yeah, and
so
this
once
is active.
everyone gets on forms, that after you've activated your Zapier and you go back to the forums page, let me know and then I'll move forward.
Okay,
Did I do it?
sir. I'm here logged into my computer. Do I go
Hmm.
into plugins?
No, so the first thing you want to do is hover over forms and go to add-ons.
Add-ons. Got it.
Hmm. And then after you go to add-ons, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see
Mm-hmm.
Zapier.
Thank you.
And then go ahead and hit install on Zapier.
Okay.
And then after that, you'll activate plugin. And once it's active, just go back to the forms page by clicking forms.
All right. There it is. Zapier install.
Okay, it say it's activated.
Activate plugin.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Then you say go back to forms.
Please, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, headset's dying.
How's everyone doing?
Good.
And
Great. Thank
Everyone
you.
good.
connected?
Yes.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
on that
Mm-hmm.
page. Forms.
Oops.
You're on the Okay. All right. Should I move forward? I
Mm-hmm.
think Maddie has
It says DJ Marcus want to speak.
Oh
well
no, 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 I don't. No, I don't.
okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is go to form settings.
Settings.
Hmm. So just hover over your form and go to settings.
Uh-huh.
No, what? No, excuse me. Sorry about that.
Oh, snap.
Over here on this sidebar over here, you're going to
Uh-huh.
go to settings from over here. So under
Oh,
forms, so instead of going to the settings of that form, you're going to the global form settings. So
Okay.
this is how
okay.
we connect um, all of it to Zapier. So we're going to start from this page right here.
Okay.
Now we're going to go back and forth between Zapier and Gravity Forms in order to get these connected. So here's what we're going to do. Can everyone go to the Zapier page now? And then,
Okay, I got a question. How do you get to the
sure.
Zapier page?
Okay, sure. So have you logged into Zapier? Have you set up your Zapier?
No, so never mind.
No.
Ignore me and keep going.
Oh,
Oh, you haven't set up your Zapier? It's okay.
Yeah.
No, just let's set you up real
Yeah.
fast.
yeah.
All right.
So because yeah, you'll need your Zapier. So go
Oh wait,
ahead
or
and
did
just
I? Wait, or did I? I see Zapier settings under form settings. So you go down,
right,
reset API Zapier. I see it there.
right. But you need your Zapier account.
Okay.
So can you just share your screen with us? I'll stop sharing
Uh,
mine.
Uh,
Does everyone else have their Zapier account
no, I
already?
don't. But I
Yeah.
was following
yeah.
along.
Yeah.
I was
Okay,
following.
I'm
I'm
gonna
on the
guide
Zapier
DJ.
page already. So
You've got your account already.
yeah.
Hold on, let me get to.
I set up the free
I
account.
thought I was.
You're okay. You're gonna
Oh.
need you set up the pre account.
Hmm.
The free.
That's not gonna work.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone's
Bad students.
Bad.
we sh-
Oh man.
Something
so
happened.
okay. Um.
There
So
we go.
Okay.
we're gonna have to get everyone's account. So can you do?
Or
Let's
you
see.
want me to stop sharing?
No. You can share because I need one of you to be a example for everyone else to
Example.
be able to follow. So give me 1 second.
Oh,
Let me
go ahead,
go over
take your
here.
time.
Okay.
Okay.
Marcus
Okay.
is a busy man.
So everyone, let me know when you're ready for us to. We're
Ready?
gonna
All
move
right.
along. We're gonna get everyone's Zapier on the professional level. And just so you know, once we get Zapier going, it'll be fast.
Okay.
But let's get everyone's Zapier set up.
Hold on, if you don't mind. I think Maddie's joining. It just said Maddie's
Right.
joining, so I
Yeah,
don't know if
she's
she's
Okay.
on.
coming back. Okay.
DJ Marcus, in the meantime, can you go to Zapier tab right here?
All right, hold on.
So
I'm not.
you've got it open right here.
Okay.
Give me a
Oh
second.
dang! You got all those tabs open.
He's
God damn.
busy.
It's
Marcus
this
is
one.
busy.
God
He's the
dang.
The
hardest
project I'm
working
working
man
on. We're
in
not
the
going to talk about
Wait a
that
minute,
metaverse.
now.
don't
Wow.
start free trial with
Don't
email.
yeah,
No,
just
no, that's
follow
Just
just where my
him.
mouse was. I didn't click
okay,
anything
yeah.
else.
Go to pricing
Okay.
and then scroll down. You can go to starter and just
Uh,
try free.
Try free.
And this is what I want everyone to do is go to starter, try free, and then just create your account or use your Gmail to sign in.
Mm-hmm.
hold on. Uh,
Yep.
Now, if I already set up my free account, should
It
I say
may let you
upgrade?
upgrade. It may let you upgrade, but it may not. It may charge you. It may. Do you have a different email address you can use for setting up the account?
I do. I do.
Okay, let's. It's you're probably going to be better off using that one.
That's fine. Okay. Log out.
You stop sharing, DJ Marcus.
yep, just
Okay.
putting my information in. That's all.
Okay, no worries. No, is it asking you for a credit card?
No, it's just
Okay,
asking for names and such like that.
okay. If
Okay.
it asks you, I don't know whether or not the trial asks you for a card, but if it does, I put a card inside of the Instagram account that you can use. So I
Mm-hmm.
generated a card that you can use for setting it up.
Okay.
That way
All
you
right,
don't have
so
to
I'm
put your own
clicking get
card in.
started for free, right?
Yeah, get started for free, but you're setting up the free trial.
Yep. Now it's asking me
So,
for a password, so I guess I can set that up.
Yep.
so I click sign up. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Well, no. Go to would you share your screen, please, so I
Mm-hmm.
can guide you?
Oops.
Come on. Yeah.
Okay. Go to pricing first,
Mm-hmm.
and then under starter, go to try free, and now you can
Mm-hmm.
stop sharing and put in your credentials to set up your account.
Okay. So I can use my
You can stop
GPs.
sharing.
All right, so now it's asking me general stuff about roles that describes that type stuff. Let's see.
Share your
Yeah,
screen, please.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that.
You can just put your just put
Yeah,
that
I'm past
basic
the part. Give
information.
me. I dropped my controller. Give me 1 second.
No
Okay.
worries.
And I'm sorry, then
Yeah, I'm
click
past the
get
personal
started
part. So
free.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, and you
that
can
part.
just put just IT 1 through 49, and then go ahead and continue.
Mhm.
And then at that point, yeah, you're all good. You're in. So go ahead and click Zapier up here. No. Down here, go. No. Down here, go hit skip. Hit skip down here. Yeah, this is another
Okay.
Yeah.
screen. Yeah, down here, hit skip.
Ooh, I don't see the skip. Okay,
It's
You
all
skip.
the
gotta
way at the
scroll
bottom.
down. Yeah, it
Yep,
looks.
got it,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah. And now you're in the right spot. So you're good. Can you scroll down? Yep, you're in a good spot.
Yep,
Okay.
right
So
here.
everyone, we want you to
See,
be
he
right here.
automatically put him on a professional plan too.
That's fine. That's fine. He can be on it. Yep.
Yeah.
Professional is fine.
It's because it knows I'm not professional.
Maddie,
Okay, I'm sorry. I had to switch to my other headset.
sure.
Um,
You want to
I
share your
Oh, I'm
downloaded
screen?
trying to draw on a
Zapier.
whiteboard. What the?
Would you like to share your screen?
Sure.
Okay. Is everyone else ready on
I'm
on
Okay,
with their
yeah.
Zap?
I'm
so
ready.
I'm
I'm on the
Okay.
clicking business owner and
other
then
Okay.
page.
clicking what, 1 to 49?
1 through 49. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, I have to
Okay,
grab my controller for
continue.
that.
And then which apps? Just
No,
choose
and then at
account.
that point, scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit skip.
And skip. Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So Maddie, first of all, you've already added the Zapier add-on. So
Yes.
now please open up a new tab
Okay.
and then go to zapier.com.
Okay.
Zapier. Z right there.
Oh,
Zapier. 1P. Yeah.
Right
.com.
there.
And then go to pricing once it loads right there.
okay. Where's pricing?
Up top.
Right
Where
here.
did it go?
There you go. And then just scroll down and select the starter. It'll probably put you on the professional, but just go ahead and click it. We're just trying to, no, not that one, this one. The try for free.
The 19 one.
Yeah.
Start on.
This one right here. Yeah.
Mhm.
And then go ahead and create your account. Continue as Maddie or sign up using an email. But you can stop sharing now.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And
Mhm.
then once you put your credentials in,
I'm on this page. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's
this
where
is
I am.
perfect. Yep, this is a great spot.
Okay.
You can actually keep sharing, Trey. Let's use you as an example for everyone else.
Mhm.
Let's have everyone follow along with your.
Okay,
Yeah.
mine doesn't have that step 1,
What?
step 2 at the bottom.
Let's see what you have.
Mhm.
Yeah, mine don't have that. It don't have it. Just
Okay,
the
let's
top
see
of
what
it is
yours has.
create a Zap.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see what your
Create
screen
a
is.
Zap.
Yeah.
And then,
So you can click Zaps. If you click Zaps right here, so this will bring you to here. Yeah, and you can hit if you hit create Zap. Yeah, it'll take you to that screen. There you go. Yeah,
Okay.
this is still. Yeah.
oh,
So
cool
there you
beans.
go.
Okay.
Yeah. So everyone just hit create Zap, and it'll bring you to this screen.
Okay. My connection just came up.
Want me to stop?
Maddie,
There we go.
Yes,
you raised.
I am. I just oh, it says I need a new password. Okay.
Who is this? This is
That's
Trey.
true.
Okay. Would you like to share, Maddie?
Oh no, I'm just kidding.
Okay. Are you? Let's see where you're at. Let's check your progress.
Okay, create a.
Okay, there we go. Let's see if that password works. There we go. That works. Okay, after that, help us customize your experience by telling us a bit about yourself. And enter the apps that I use in here. Just click them. Okay. All right. All right, I'm on that create a zap page.
Let's see. So you're on
Okay.
the Creators app screen. Let me
Yeah.
just take a glance at your
You got it?
well,
Okay.
yeah, your click Creators app right there.
Um,
Yeah, just
Okay.
click that. Yeah,
okay.
it'll
Yeah.
Where did I go? Where did my mouse go? Hold on, I lost my mouse. I wish I could click it with my finger. Oh, there's my mouse. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, click that. So that's got you here. Okay, yeah, so you're in the right spot.
Yep.
So is
That's where
everyone
I'm at.
now on this screen?
I am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. You want to stop sharing, Maddie? And Trey, would you like to share? That way
Okay.
you can be our example. Okay.
Mhm.
So the first thing we should do is change the name from Untitled Zap to um, uh, contact form or something like that, since that's what you're gonna be using it for. And then just and then just hit your enter button after that. Okay. Now, okay, so let's do this. First, hit trigger.
Mhm.
Trigger.
Now, the first thing you do is you use the search button to find a zap that you want. The zap that you pick is the application that you want to start with. So go ahead and type Gravity Forms in here.
Mhm.
And before, yeah, here it is right
There
here.
it
And
is
it's
right
gonna
there.
be there's two
Okay,
of
there we
them.
go.
Well, yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Gravity form.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And so once you have it selected, the next thing you're gonna have to do is connect it to your site. So go ahead and select event, and you're gonna hit form submission, and then hit the continue button, and now you're gonna hit sign in, and it's gonna give you a pop-up window. Now this pop-up window, you have your site URL and you have your consumer key. Now you can you're gonna have to. This window is gonna go behind the browser window. So just go ahead and click in on the Zapier page right here, because you're gonna have to go
Mhm.
to your Gravity Forms, and this is where we're connecting it. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to REST API.
Listen,
Okay,
REST
hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Wait
API.
a minute.
Yeah. Okay. And then enable
Where you say
access.
it again? The rest. Oh,
Yep. So this was, remember when we went to Gravity Forms and then we came to
yep.
settings, and
Okay.
then we go to REST API. So Gravity Forms
Rest
settings and then
API.
REST
Yep.
API. Yep.
Got it.
And then once you go to REST API, you hit enable.
Enable.
And after you hit enable, you'll have a authentication little display right here. And you can add a key. So go ahead and click add key.
Add key.
Now you can hit just a type of description in here, and
Mhm.
then you can just say Zapier uh, connection. So that's just so that you know what this key is for, because maybe you'll end up connecting other applications to your Gravity Forms, and then you'll have more than one key inside of here. So if you ever needed to delete one, you would remember what it was. Hit your user and select your user. So right now so go ahead and select your IT tray, and for permissions, change it to read and write. So read and write permissions. And then stop right there, Trey, because we're using you as an example.
Okay.
So once everyone has theirs configured like this, so you remember, you've got your description. That's for your memory. That's not anything official. It's just so you remember it. You
Okay.
select your user,
Mm-hmm.
and then you select for permissions. It has to be read and write.
What you said, read.
Otherwise, you'll have errors. Zapier won't have the permissions it needs in order to communicate with Gravity Forms.
Okay.
And so once you have that, go ahead and hit add. And make sure you don't move too fast because it's going to move. It's going to pop open a screen like this, and you have to copy this consumer key and this consumer secret. So don't click off of this. Don't click that X. So now, Trey,
Mm-hmm.
you need to open up that Zapier pop-up window that popped up.
Okay.
Okay,
This
so
is
hit your
right here.
windows down there, and there it is right there. And you can kind of scoot it over to the side a
Okay.
little bit if you want, so that you can see. But you've got your site URL. Your site URL is going to be this right here. It's from HTTPS all the way to .club. So that is your site URL. So go ahead and copy this, Trey, from the B all the way to from the B to the H. Just leave that highlighted right there so that everyone can see what they need to copy for the site URL.
So for form submissions, where does he go after that to get that pop up where he has to enter the key in?
From form submissions.
Yeah. So
So
when you see that
right.
Zapier
So
main
can you
page,
go back to Zapier right here? So you're gonna go after you
good, that's where
after you
I'm
put
at.
an app and event, you're gonna hit continue, and it's gonna bring you to this connection Gravity Forms. And when you hit sign in, it's gonna give you a pop-up window.
Got it.
And so Trey, can you
There
please
we
come back to
go.
your settings over here?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Paste.
So now go ahead and copy that, Trey.
Yep.
Okay. I
Okay.
think I copied it already. Okay, I
Okay.
copied it.
Okay. Now open up your Zapier panel.
And this one.
Yep. And then so you're gonna paste that site URL in here.
Okay, but I'm not seeing. Oh, I done lost my screen. Where's that?
And just stay right there for a moment, Trey, so that until everyone's
Mm-hmm.
ready.
Okay.
Did I supposed to
Okay, here we
have this
go.
colon, this
You
flag
can
after
delete
the
that
flag?
colon. Yeah, you can delete that slash off of there. Yeah, you don't need that slash on there.
Okay.
Got it.
Got it.
Paste.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Doesn't
so
say.
after that, notice how you've got consumer key and consumer secret. So
Yep.
what you're going to do is make sure you don't click this black area. Click your tab right here. We don't want to accidentally close that
This
out
one.
because no. Your tab right here.
This.
Your tab right here because we're just trying to get to this window behind this pop-up right here. So just
Oh, this.
yeah. Just click right here. Just click where it says Gravity Forms. You see where my pointer
Well,
is?
Alt tab.
Yeah.
Hit Alt tab if you're on Windows.
Yeah, right. We're just trying to get behind this tray without actually closing that window. You're
So the
just
tab. This.
if you click Gravity Forms right here, if you just click that, it'll just
Oh, it's
see.
not.
I didn't want you to do that. Like
Okay.
there's
Okay.
But you
exactly what
gotta
Hold
it
on.
close
is.
Yeah, open it back up.
it.
Yeah, let's go.
No, like I wanted. So okay, so just go back. We got to make another one because you're
Oh,
not going to be able
snap.
to. Now
Oh, damn. I gotta
we're
make
gonna.
another one?
Yeah. No worries.
Okay.
But we need to get to this window back here.
Gravity.
So
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah. We're just basically we're trying to move back and forth between these
So you
windows.
can copy and paste the.
Yeah. So just
Yeah.
click the white area right here. That'll get us over there. You're stuck on the pop-up. Yeah, click the white area. And now let me just show you why you can't use this again. Try to edit it. Go ahead and try to edit. If you was to try to get this for security reasons, like go ahead and hit update. Let's see if it. Yeah, see, you can't access the credentials. So go ahead and hit close,
Yeah.
and you're gonna delete this, and you're just gonna make another one.
Dang.
So just revoke. So go ahead and revoke this one. Okay, and it's okay. No worries.
Okay.
You can make an infinite number of them. Go ahead and hit add key.
Okay. Add key.
Give it a brief little description. So for your own
Zapier
Zapier
connection.
connection, yep. And now
User.
your user, your permissions,
Read on right.
and then add. And remember, don't hit that black part, but you need to copy this consumer key first. Control
Okay.
C.
Yeah, I did that. Yeah.
And now go back to your Zapier window and pop it in this consumer key field. Is everyone following that part? So you're
Yep,
gonna
Yeah.
just
yep.
copy
Wait,
that
hold
key,
on for a
pop it in.
second. Oh,
No. Don't worry about that one, Trey. You're already good with that.
Okay,
So
this
yeah,
one.
pop it in this. Yeah, in the consumer
Yeah.
key field. Control V. Yep. Now go back over there.
Yep.
Now
Go
right
back to the
here,
screen again. Yep.
right
Don't
here.
if you click the Trey, it's like
That's up here.
hit Alt Tab. Just hit
Okay.
Alt Tab and switch it that way.
Yeah, let's do the shortcuts.
Just
Yeah, let's do the
you're
shortcut
gonna hit
keys
the
because
only car in the parking
after
lot.
me to click this, certain
hey, that's what I get for joking,
Okay.
telling him to hit Alt Tab.
I
I
hit
must have
Alt
hit it by
Tab.
accident. All right, hold on. All right, so I got my Zapier connect up, but I got to do the key step again.
Okay, okay. And now go ahead and get your secret, Trey. Copy your secret.
How do
Control
you do
C.
that,
Control
please?
C.
Right there again. I need to do that step again because I hit it by accident.
No worries. So what you want to do is revoke the other one.
All
So if
right,
you hover over it, you'll be able to hit revoke.
all right, give me, and that's in Gravity Forms.
Correct. Trey, if you want, you can go ahead and switch over to your Zapier and you can pop that consumer key in there.
Okay, and that's
All right,
this
I
right
got it.
here.
Yep,
We
yep.
press continue to gravity form and we're done with that
And a
part.
consumer
All right,
secret.
I done hit the wrong
Just
thing. I'm in
paste
the
it in
wrong
there.
place now.
Oh,
Okay.
do we press continue to gravity
Okay.
form and we're done?
And then hit yes. Yeah, go ahead and hit yes, continue to gravity form after you paste it in there. And
All
Got
that
right, I
it.
need to
window's
do a
going to
quick
go away.
share, if
Yep,
I
yep.
have
possible.
to
We
do it
got
again.
you.
Yeah,
Don't worry
update.
about
I have to
updating
do it
that.
again too.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
no.
Okay.
Go ahead, man.
Oh,
You
an error. I got the same error.
Me
URL,
too.
Angel.
Yeah, I gotta do it again.
tell you what, select the
URL.
24/7 IT user
What
then.
happened?
Select my user.
URL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Know what your
Okay, let me
URL
close
Okay.
this.
But
Okay.
Go back.
it shouldn't run
Are you
into
asking me for
error right.
mine?
No.
Let me see.
Oh my, yeah, I got
No,
that
where
same
Hit yes,
error.
continue again.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Let me see what it say.
know where to
Yeah.
copy this thing
Yeah,
Man, I
that's
think
what
we
I
ran
got.
into
like
an
in the
error or unable to
literal
complete the.
URL.
Yeah, kind of. Okay, look, tell you what, hit that
You
X and
said
then
where
put
to
that
add in
slash at the end of your
URL?
URL. Put that slash at the end, the
Oh,
forward
okay.
slash at the end.
Okay.
Let's see. And now do it again.
Oh,
Put the forward slash. Okay.
Oh,
No, hit.
Yeah, but did it
Make
again.
sure you click allow or accept on the permission pop up. Oh, wait a minute. No. Okay, I know what the problem is. Close this. Hit that X. Sorry about that. What you have to do now is go ahead and hit Alt. Go ahead and hit Alt Tab. Get yourself back over here. You have to hit yes first before you hit that submit. So scroll down here
Mm-hmm.
because it hasn't created the key yet. Scroll down.
it's as far as it go.
I
Yeah.
gotta revoke.
Oh
Yeah,
well,
it
just
doesn't
click off. Just click off.
Okay.
Click off.
Yeah, just click the X. Yeah. So
Click
now, boom,
X.
there it go. Now open your Zapier back up.
Okay.
Now open your
Okay, hold
Zapier
on.
back up
And then
and
yes.
now submit it. It'll submit now because now the
Okay.
key has been created. Sorry about that.
Where do
Nope.
we
Okay.
I got
find
the
our
error
site
again.
No.
URL,
You still
Rich, to make
Mm-hmm.
sure
Oh,
we have it correct?
the site URL is right here
yeah, up top
Let me
right
see.
there.
up
Mm-hmm.
top. So wait a minute, hold up, Trey. Open this back up. You need to just do it again. Just do it again. Click it
Okay.
and try it again.
Okay.
I
Scroll
think I.
down.
Continue form.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Let me see. What is going on with it? Make sure you hit the X. Hit the X.
Okay, hit the X. Okay.
Here, let me go to my desk real quick. Let me do it real quick. Let
Okay,
me
I'm
do it on
hitting
my end real
update.
fast.
Hey,
Just
Keisha,
to,
how much of the site URL do I copy?
Oh,
can you
just up until club.
yeah,
No
just up until
slash?
club. Trey,
Okay.
can you stop sharing yours and let me share
Yeah.
mine?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, I got that. Let me go back. I said I hit the
Okay, so I'm
update,
gonna
so it should be good now, right? After you hit the
yeah,
update.
after an update.
Oh, I already have
So I'm
it.
gonna select
Let me
gravity
see. Do I
forms
get that error? Yep, it worked. I didn't get that error message after I updated it
after
by
you update it.
accident.
Yeah. See, and this is
Oh
another
snap.
thing. Wait a minute. See, you all use that gravity forms that's the old one. They've got a new one that they just made.
Okay.
Let me change it.
So
See, like, watch this. You see how we got these two newer
I didn't see
available, and then you
Mm-hmm.
got
yeah.
latest
Yeah, I
right
didn't
here.
see that.
I didn't
Yeah,
see
If
that
you
you
type
yeah.
gotta
either.
gravity, you'll
update.
see it. So we'll maybe you already got the newest.
Oh.
Maybe that's the only one y'all see. Maybe I see both of them because I got an
I
old
see
account.
both. I had both of them. So
Okay, okay.
I did the first new edition.
So
I
I
need
need
to
So
to. So
like
we need to revoke.
so one moment. Let me connect mine real quick to this one. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, I
So
So I
gotta
got
figure out how
that.
to do this. This is the step I'm at right now.
okay, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take the HTTPS all the way over to
Mm-hmm.
that.
All right, so I got
All
a
right.
quick question before you do
Sure.
that. I'm in the forms page, right?
Mm-hmm.
Crap. Let me get back to it. I just hit the wrong thing. When I click, or maybe it's settings at the bottom. When I click forms at the top.
Mm-hmm. And then go to settings over here on the side.
okay, I'm gonna exit out of this thing.
Yeah, see, I
And
don't see that when I hit forms.
Yeah, so I got it.
you don't see when you go to forms over here on the side is settings. So
Um,
if I was to start right here at the dashboard.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think I'm there. Okay, so I
Yeah, yeah,
see.
yeah. Forms, then there's settings right here.
That's what I had to do. I had to go to
Mhm.
settings first,
Hmm.
Marcus.
Okay,
And
okay.
now I
then
see.
okay. And now let me
So then you
do
said
this.
hit reset API or REST API. I'm sorry.
Yes, REST
Yep.
API.
I go to
Enable
edit. Then I'm a
This was a whole class just trying to set
24/7
it
key.
up.
Yeah, for real.
Zapier
You want us to change it to
connection.
24/7? The user.
You shouldn't have to. It should work
Okay.
with your user.
Read write. Then I hit add if I'm correct.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna click
Okay,
update.
so consumer key. I can
Mm-hmm.
copy that now.
And then
That's consumer key.
What the heck?
and yeah, you connect your consumer key and your
And then the
consumer secret.
secret.
Yeah, you got it.
And then yes to
Yes to
continue.
continue the gravity forms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I got the error.
Okay, I've got the
That's
And
error.
because you have to update it
wait a minute, I got
on.
the error too.
Because when you're on the screen, when you create
Okay,
it
I'm getting
there,
this
you have to
error.
hit
Why?
update.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
what screen would that be?
Should
Yeah,
I
I'm right there
close
with you.
this Zapier pop-up screen? I think
Check
I'm gonna
your
wait. I'm gonna
outbox
wait.
So it says hit allow or accept to update. But where is that?
Yeah. Yeah, because you said if you try to update it, it's not going to.
What in the heck is going on?
That's where I'm at, right? Where he just got, yeah.
But like how when you said when we were on Gravity Forms after we created that key and everything, you said we had to hit the update. It didn't work because we didn't hit the update. Because mine worked
What's going
once
on
I
here?
did that.
Yours, you said you did what now?
After we created that key,
Mm-hmm.
we had to hit the update first before
Yeah.
and it worked
Mm-hmm.
perfectly.
Where is that update? Because
All
I'm
right.
getting the
So
same
and
thing
then you said
Marcus
we
is
couldn't
getting.
edit it because it wouldn't show
Yeah.
you the key and everything. So you had to do a whole new one, right?
I'm about to do that. I'm like another new one and do the latest
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not
Check
sure.
gravity
it out.
form. Okay, let me close this. And then I'm gonna revoke this one.
Connect a new account.
Okay, I keep disconnecting. What's it
Maybe
saying?
I need to go to.
Add a
Where did I
key.
go?
Rich, I think we owe you lunch or something.
I
I
know.
know,
Okay.
right?
I know.
For
Really?
real.
Yeah.
Original right add.
Please give us your Cash App. I think
Yes.
Right.
$3 to
Definitely.
$5
It's,
each would be a nice
it's
lunch.
Exactly, right?
That's
why
what I'm
It's
is
the
about to do.
least
I'm
we
about to
can
do
do.
what
Hmm.
I'm about to do what he did. I'm about to go to
why
Notepad.
is this giving me this error?
Copy
Yeah.
Why is this giving
I
this
feel like
error?
I'm stressing him out.
No, no, no. It's all good. I'm just befuddled right now. Like I've never had this error
I don't
before.
know how to
the heck?
update my
I mean,
Zapier.
as you can see right here, I've got like
Oh, it's not on the
all of these gravity forms connections in here. Like I do this, like I've never run into this error before with it. Like, what is going on?
Mm-hmm.
One moment, let me try. Let me
Maybe going to
let me
Zapier
let me
forums.
try.
Okay. So I'll go here.
So you could.
Scroll down. Okay, just click it right here. Okay.
I'm trying to troubleshoot as well.
Hmm.
There's upgrade plan,
Why
manage
does my
plan.
connection keep disconnecting?
How does this?
My
Is
goodness.
anyone else been able to get it connected?
I
I don't
have.
even. I'm trying to figure
So
out what the
Fuchsia
heck I'm
has,
doing.
and everyone else is stuck.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
stuck.
Yes.
dang it. I'm
Fuchsia,
at the
where'd you
API.
go?
One
I think
moment.
I
Let
What
me.
is it
accidentally
supposed to
closed the
look like?
window.
What is it supposed to look like?
Yeah.
Okay, let
One
me
moment. I'm
see. I
Oh,
just
okay.
my thing just disconnected. I gotta connect to my remote again.
Oh snap.
read and
Good
write.
Lord.
Add
And then
Oh dang! I think I
the
accidentally closed the
consumer
window and I
key.
wasn't supposed to. Oh
Is it
shoot.
Oh,
supposed
there
to
we
say
go.
never accessed? What is it supposed to
No,
say?
well,
Oh,
it's going to say that until it's actually been accessed.
Okay.
Rich,
Yes.
I went to Zapier.com and then I went to help. How can we help? And in the search, I typed in update and it says update to the latest Zapier.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I agree about the latest Zapier.
Oh, so that's not going to be the update that we need.
What do you mean? Well, right now we're trying to get connected.
Oh, okay.
hmm
Yeah, for some reason we're having an issue getting connected. Even I'm having an issue. Um, yeah, it's like, yeah, this is one moment. Let me
Can
just,
you go back and create a whole new key again and
yeah,
just
yeah, you can. Mm-hmm.
maybe that and then
That's what I,
And then.
yeah.
oh, wait a minute. I know what the problem is. I
Uh
know what the problem is. God
Outburst,
dog it.
outburst.
I'm
We just
so straight. All
I'm
right, y'all ready?
excited. Okay.
we're ready. We're ready.
And
I'm
I,
Okay.
sorry.
Go ahead,
All
sis.
right. No, I know what the problem is now. You have to hit the
you didn't hit the
update
update.
down
That's
here at
what I
the
kept
bottom.
saying. That's what I kept saying. You told us to do that. I said
She's
mine
like,
worked as
she's
soon as
not
I hit the
hearing me.
update.
Oh my gosh, we didn't hit the
Okay, where
update
is that?
button.
How do
I'm
we
so
get there?
I
tripping.
thought you understood what I was saying.
No, I didn't
Forms.
understand. I'm sorry. No, because I was hitting. No, no, no. I was hitting this update. I just hit.
Oh,
I
goodness.
Okay.
was
There it
hitting.
is.
I was hitting this update button, and yeah, but yeah,
So do
and
we
you
Yes.
got to
still have
scroll
to
down and
revoke
hit
it,
the
or
update
can
down
we
here.
just?
Yeah,
Got
because then
it.
yeah.
Then at
But you
that point, it'll work.
So
yes,
do
it
we
will
have to
work.
revoke the other
Yay,
Yes,
first
it
it
one?
You
will.
don't.
works.
You can. Yeah, you can. You can
Okay.
revoke it, or you don't have to.
It works if you don't revoke it.
And that's what I see on my
Well,
screen right now.
but
That
but
right
How do
either
you
way it go,
there.
know?
you have to scroll down and you have to hit that update button at the bottom. Sorry
Yep.
about that.
Thank you.
I
hmm
am
Okay,
so
click
sorry
the
about that.
update
Yeah,
at
I
the
Okay, I'm
was sitting
bottom.
there working at the top,
How do you
still
and
know
getting
that?
that error. Let me go
see,
back and just
Oh
What
revoke
is
my
it?
It
goodness.
goes through.
It
And
will
It
then
go
I'm gonna
through. You
go
don't
will
have to
go
ahead
delete
through.
anything. You just
Zapier.
have
yeah.
to scroll down to the bottom of the
Continue
screen, hit
The
update.
Zapier.
only reason you would want to
And
delete
then
it
go back
is
to the
for the
it.
orange
sake of
tab
like
where
just
your
not of
Okay.
clutter,
URL,
and not
Okay.
having two of them in there, and then you accidentally delete the
where
wrong one
your
by
Okay.
mistake or
codes
something in the
are,
future.
and then hit
Oh
the orange
snap.
button.
How do I know
Okay,
if I
I
have
Oh.
the right one?
See, then it
Okay.
goes
Good.
through. It
hmm
doesn't stop you.
Yeah, it'll go
Yes, I have
straight
a
through. You just
question
got
as
to hit that
well.
update button first.
Think it did?
Okay.
So I'll wait till everyone has
okay,
their
I'm not
gravity form connected before we move forward.
okay, I'm
And
oh my
then
goodness.
how do we
Okay.
know it's
How you
connected
know we have
Something
it
is
successfully?
correct?
not doing
Because
that.
you see right
You'll
here in
see that on the
mine,
screen.
yeah,
You'll
you
see
see
that.
how
I'm
my
gonna
it'll
wait. I'm gonna
show that
wait.
it's connected and where
'Cause,
it's
oh my
connected to.
goodness.
Yeah. Yep.
I
Ah,
don't think
Oh, and
okay.
it says
something's
Awesome.
not
continue.
right.
Okay.
Awesome
Mm-hmm.
sauce.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, and says continue.
hmm
Okay,
I'm
hold
so
on.
sorry about that,
I
everybody.
know.
Um,
Fuchsia's like, update,
Uh,
update, update.
Yeah, but I
Yeah,
heard him.
and I
He
was
said it
hitting the
first.
up,
He
but
said
I
you
was
got to update.
yeah,
is it,
yeah.
do I need to revoke this one again?
No, well, you just no. Let's just move forward. Just
I'm
you
all, okay,
you can you can delete it later.
I'm mess around, delete the wrong one,
Whose
so I'm just
screen
gonna
is
leave
this?
it.
This
cause
yeah,
is
we
I
my
were
just,
just
screen.
told
cause
that.
I kept getting the error message, so I want to know what I'm doing wrong.
In order to not get the error message, you have to scroll to the bottom of the page and hit
And
update.
I did that.
And now you should be able to you should
Now
be
you
able
have
to
to choose
submit
the
your
right form.
credentials. Here,
Okay,
you can
cause
go ahead and share your screen.
okay, okay. So here's my key, whatever. He
So
said
you got
update.
where's your
Hit the
Zapier
update. Yep.
screen at?
See,
I go back through
Zapier.
here.
No,
I
your
think I
Zapier window. Yeah,
yeah, I
with
closed it.
okay, you're gonna need to. So you're gonna need
Yeah.
to. You're gonna have to create another one again.
Yeah. Okay. So
You're gonna have to create another.
okay. So I can another API key.
Yep.
Can I
Okay.
Hmm?
show
Let me do
mine?
that real quick.
Can I show mine?
You sure
Hold on.
can.
Let me. Hold
Yeah.
on. Let me
Yeah.
finish. He like, hey. Ah man. Okay. I'm gonna add this. Okay. I
Yes.
added it.
Okay, so go ahead and you can
Ah
copy the.
shoot.
Make
You
sure
can.
you update. Make sure you update.
Did
Go
you
down to the
copy the
bottom.
credentials?
Ah shoot.
Yeah. So go ahead and just make another one because you can't get the
Okay.
credentials after you do that part.
Hey
Okay.
Shay, do you have
Revoke.
2 keys?
No, I just have
Add
one.
key.
Just one.
You
But I
you
want to see if it's.
Reading
I
light.
don't have
Okay.
that HTTP. I don't because I deleted something because I thought I had it wrong.
well.
So I had
But
to
I'm
Okay.
supposed to
delete
copy
it.
from here.
No, hit add. You got to hit add first, and then it's
Yeah.
gonna
I did.
and then it's gonna show it. And so now you've got your Zapier, and you put from HTTPS all the way to club, and then this is your consumer key. This is your consumer secret.
Okay. Let me copy. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in.
Trey, let us see Cyber Shay's screen for a moment.
Okay.
Go ahead and share Cyber Shay.
Okay.
Let's see what you're working with. Okay, what do you so you good
Um.
you
See, I
so
have.
you're not gonna be able to use this one because it's already
Okay.
been closed. So go ahead and add a new key.
So it's revoked
You
it.
can revoke that one, yeah. So it's
Okay.
not just hanging around. Give it a description. Hit your drop down, select your user, read and write, add. So now that's your key and your secret. Collect. So if you put your cursor up here, you'll see the HTTPS and you'll be able to copy. So go ahead and click in there. No, yeah, don't click the lock. No, yeah,
Yeah.
right there. So yeah, click from the all the
To
way
the
to
club.
club.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Copy that. Now go to now in your Zapier. Did you already open up the window?
It's gone now.
N-
It went.
Okay.
Open
I'm
up.
gonna follow
You
her.
mean
Did
this
did
one?
did you already click the
This is the
sign in
remedial
button?
class.
Did you click the sign in button
No.
already?
I have to
No.
sign in. I did before. I clicked the sign in
But
again.
there's your window down here. Can you click down
No,
here in your browser windows? Let's see if it's already. No,
Oh
that's your
I don't think.
snap.
your browser windows. Let's
I don't think
your
I have
brow.
it.
Oh, well, then click it again. If
Sign in.
Sign in again.
yes, if
Mm-hmm.
Sign in.
Mm,
okay. So you're
Yep.
gonna paste in
The
okay.
Mm-hmm.
website.
Mm-hmm.
the
Yeah.
URL.
website
Yeah.
URL in here.
Let me copy.
You can Control V. Yep, there you go.
Okay. Got
And
it.
now go back and get your
Okay.
Okay.
Good job,
consumer
Shay.
key and your consumer secret inside of your Gravity Forms.
Figure where it went.
It's
Control
over here in
V.
your Gravity Forms. So if you click this tab
Mm-hmm.
right here, there you go. And now that's your secret. Yep. And put that in the first. So if you double click in it, it'll highlight the whole thing. And then you can Control
Okay.
C. And that way you make sure you don't miss anything. But yeah, go ahead to your browser.
Okay.
Where did it go again?
So hover over your browser and it's right there. It's down there on the end.
No, it's a dope pad.
It's there it is over. You keep going past it too fast.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Yep.
There
And
you
then
go.
pop that in your secret. I mean your key. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Control V. And now go back and get your secret. Don't hit that black area right there. Don't hit any of that. Yeah.
There you go.
You can
Yep. Put it back in there.
paste that in there.
Perfect.
No. Don't hit that yet.
Oh,
It's
don't
not
hit
gonna be
that.
ready.
Oh, it's not gonna be
It's
ready
not
yet.
gonna be ready yet.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and hit this X right here.
Oh snap.
And then scroll down to the
Scrolling.
bottom of the page
Hold.
after it
Okay.
reloads.
Stop.
Okay. Right
Stop,
there.
Scroll to the bottom and
please.
then hit
You
update.
got it.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold
And then
on.
come back over to the Zapier window. Come back over to the Zapier window, the one that's behind this screen down here. So if you come
Mm-hmm.
back, no.
See,
Down,
scroll down and click update. Hold on.
down. If you click your buttons down here, your icons, and then
Okay.
Shabershay, the Chrome
There you go.
icon. Cybershay, the
Okay.
Chrome. Put your
Chrome.
cursor over the
Okay.
Chrome icon, and then click. Where did
Okay.
the gravity form window go? Is it already? Did you
There you
already
go.
submit it?
There you
Let's
go.
see. Go back over to gravity forms over here. Go back to. I mean, go back to Zapier over here. Sorry.
Zapier.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Where did the?
Yep,
There it
you're
go. Yep.
connected.
Oh,
You're
she
signed
got
in.
it.
So
You
that
got.
You
You're
one.
got it.
good. You're
Yep.
good.
You're
You got
good.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Trey. What about you?
Okay. So
Let's see. Let's see your screen.
okay. Okay. So I clicked submit at the bottom already, and
You hit
then it
update.
says update. Yeah,
Okay.
I mean
Now
update.
where's your Zapier window at? Go ahead and
Uh,
hit your icons. Hit your window and then go ahead and hit yes, continue to gravity forms.
okay.
Bam. All right, go back over to
Um,
Zapier. And so everyone's ready now, right?
I
Sweet.
Yep. You
am.
got it.
Oh snap!
confetti,
Oh, it
All
did it!
right.
confetti,
So
Oh
now,
confetti.
snap! Okay.
Yay.
all
Oh,
right.
thank you,
Ooh, that took a
So
Jesus.
whole
Oh,
hour.
okay.
before we, I know it's sorry, most of it was because of,
It
you know,
was worthwhile though.
yeah.
Yes, it was. It
Yes.
was.
So, in order for Zapier to be able to collect the data, first of all, everyone in here has already created a form, right?
Mm-hmm.
Think I don't know. I think I
Okay.
A
did.
placeholder at least, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you need to all go back to your forms and you need to submit it. So you can go ahead and come back over to your Gravity Forms tray
Okay.
Okay. How do I get back to the
and go to
gravity
your
form?
forms, click forms. And then what you can do is, because we just have to have some test data, go through the form one time. So hover over testing, hover over your form title, and just click preview.
Preview.
Uh
Okay.
huh.
So
And
I
then you
did.
can
Okay.
just put some information in here and hit next.
Oh, I need to go
And
back
Okay.
and.
you want to submit. You want to just fill out all the form fields in your form, and then hit submit.
Okay.
Okay.
So from that
Um,
form submission
Oh, it
page,
worked.
um,
No, I mean, I'm sorry.
Hmm.
next.
form
Talking
Oh,
to
so I
myself.
go back to
preview,
forms,
The
put the
Hmm.
email cache
information.
worked.
Okay. All right.
forms.
And then what you say
Put
submit.
something in there, Trey, and then
Um,
now hit submit. And so after everyone has submitted your forms,
Okay.
go back to Zapier. You can close this tab out. You can close
I can
that.
close it.
You can close this tab right here. Yeah, that one with your preview form. Come back to Zapier, and then you're gonna. I'll wait for. Is everyone ready for me to
Okay.
move
I
forward?
think I am. I don't know.
No.
I
Shoot,
hit
I
I'm on
hit
this
submit,
page.
Go
continue
but
ahead
I
and
don't know
already.
submit
about.
then.
It's
Damn
okay.
it.
Yeah, that's fine. No
Okay.
worries. Yeah, no worries. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it.
Okay.
So yeah, just hold tight. Is
My
everyone
mic
ready for
stopped
me to hit it?
working.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's
All
see.
right. So let's do it, Trey. Hit
All
continue.
right. Okay.
All right. So now the way. So the next thing you have to do is you're gonna map the fields that you have on your gravity form. So you put all the fields that you want to collect from people. But now you're going to map those fields in your
Okay.
Zapier. So you're going to by telling Zapier what each one of these are. So the first thing you're going to do is choose your form. So you can create as many forms as you want in Gravity Forms, and then you'll come back here in Zapier and you'll hit this drop down, and it'll be able to find any forms that you've created. So you'll go ahead and select that form, and it's going to reset a little bit, and it's going to adjust all the fields in here. Now, use admin labels. You can just say true. So hit the drop down and say true. And that way it just use the labels in the admin, and this will make more sense later. Um, Unique name. So you can give this form a name. So maybe call it contact form or something like that. Whatever the purpose of this form is. All right. And then scroll down.
This is
Hit
far
refresh fields. Where are the rest of your fields? Yeah, hit continue. Where's the rest of your fields? Go back. Where's the rest of your fields at?
Mm-hmm.
I think yeah, you're
5 minutes
hit
left in the meeting.
hit
Dang it.
trigger. Hit trigger. Scroll down. You don't have any of your fields showing.
I don't know why.
Me neither. I was wondering.
Yeah, mine's neither.
Mm.
None of your
Yeah,
field,
'cause
none of your fields are showing.
Nope.
Nope.
I was wondering when you said it was going to reorder them.
One moment, let me come.
we're gonna have a part 2 to this class.
Oh, of course, but
We're
Mhm.
gonna
let
have
me
to.
just give me 1 second. Let me
Yeah, do what you
Oh,
got
yeah,
to
I'm
do, man.
good.
Take
I'm
your time.
Yeah.
good.
yeah, we'll definitely do a part 2. Let me just submit this and
And
let me
can you
just
please post your Cash App?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Put it on the
Please.
screen, please. We'll all send.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely.
Everybody can do $3.
Oh yeah.
I
Oh
can't
yeah.
do three
Basics
dollars
enough.
right now. I just send my debit card back to the bank. So
I'll do $3 for you, Shay.
I
okay, I'll give
will.
it to you when I get my card
And
back.
also
Okay.
remember, guys, if you're using this for business purposes, you can write it off on your
You sure
taxes.
Yes, you
can.
sure
Oh
can.
yeah.
G Deuce, thank you.
G-Dude's
okay.
always
So
with the
now
tax
that I've
info.
done
Financial
that,
manager.
Yeah. Hmm.
And if you don't know, my webpage is Dre.
There you go. There you go. Always got to have that
Exactly.
plug. Always got to throw that plug in there.
BaraEnterprises.com, right?
Can I share my screen?
Oh snap. Go ahead.
Now, can we go back and edit that form that we're trying to use right now? And then
yes,
hit
we can. You
okay.
can. But where in the heck are my fields at?
Because I see group information. I selected that.
That is the only form I have, so I did select that.
See, let me
Okay.
open.
Okay. Now let's. Okay. Here we go. Sorry about that.
It's all
Sorry
good.
about that. No, yeah, I got a little discombobulated with it, but yeah, go ahead and just go through continue and
Continue.
continue. It's going to be on the next um, zap that you actually map your fields. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
I got
that's
thrown off
I
a
cool.
little
don't
bit, but just
hold
go
on.
ahead
Where's
and continue. I
this?
just needed to go through it myself. But
Okay.
when you go through continue, go ahead and hit test trigger. And once you hit test trigger, what's going to happen is, let me come back over here.
Okay.
Sorry
Oh, I
about that.
see it. Okay.
Yeah, what's going to happen is it's going to, when you hit test trigger, it's going to pull all of that data right here, and it's going to have that available for the next zap. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so right now Trey is sharing, so go ahead and scroll down, Trey, and then hit continue with selected record.
See, that's not giving me the option. I only had
Let
You
me
like
have
see
to
your
scroll
screen,
down.
Fuchsia.
Oh shit. Wait,
Share
hold
your
because
on.
all I
screen.
had was like name and then an email address. Just the
Yeah, okay, that's fine though. It's but let's see your screen. It
hold
it,
on. Let
it
me
it it
get to
doesn't
it.
matter how many fields you got. You can have one field
Hold
on
on.
there.
How do I share again?
It's a button on top of your screen.
Gotta, yeah.
Use
Hold
your
Yeah,
on. I got it. I got
controller.
it. I got it. I got it.
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so yeah, so go ahead and you got your form. You admin values. Just select true.
Oh,
True.
okay. That's what it was.
Yeah.
True.
Hmm.
Uh
Okay.
huh. And then unique name. Just call it group information. This is just for
Okay.
internal labeling.
Okay. Okay.
And then scroll down.
Scroll. See, it's not.
Hit refresh fields.
There it
Yeah, there you go.
is.
Okay.
Hit
Yeah,
continue.
refresh.
Okay.
Yeah,
Continue.
continue.
Okay.
Yeah, and now scroll down and hit
Okay.
test trigger.
Got it.
So now
Okay.
scroll
There we
down,
go.
and so now you got. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of that data that you submitted in that form.
Hmm.
This is all of the form data, and go
Okay.
ahead
Got
and
it.
continue with this record.
Continue with this record.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Perfect.
now the next thing we have to do is we're going to connect that to another app. So for
Okay.
right now, let's just send you an email when it submits. So inside of here, just type email.
Okay. Email.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to choose an action. We're going to send an email, and let's just choose email by Zapier.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
And then under event, hit the drop down and choose event
Okay.
and send an outbound email.
Oh, select. Hold on. Does it let me
right
send
here.
outbound? Okay, got it.
Mm-hmm. And then
Mm-hmm.
hit continue.
Continue.
And
Got it.
then after that, so now we're going to map those fields that was submitted with the gravity forms with the email that you're going to send out. So for two, hit the drop down for two, and we're going to select. So you can
Oh
type
shoot,
in
my
your
screen
Okay,
your
just
wait a
email
second. I
address in
missed
here.
something. I'm sorry. Oh,
Oh,
hold
continue
on.
after that. I guess I didn't hit
Mm-hmm.
continue. I'm
My
sorry.
mouse is
It's
Okay,
hard
go
to
acting
ahead.
find
up.
them sometimes. You got to scroll all the way to the bottom.
right.
Okay, so
And
okay.
I'll wait for everyone to catch up before we move forward.
Okay. Oh
So for the
God.
two, what do you want me to type in there for the two?
For two, put your email address in. So the email address that
Okay.
you want this when the form is
Oh,
submitted, who do you want the information to be sent to? That's the email
okay.
address we want you to put in here.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So put your email address in there.
Yep.
Okay.
And you can stop sharing while you're typing it in.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Let's see.
Hey, Rich, quick question. Are
Sure.
you familiar? I think it's called IFTT. If then that. Are you familiar with
Oh
that?
yeah, with logic, yeah, logic statements. Yeah.
No, I meant the actual
If
like
else
app or
statements.
plugin. Not just the logic of it. I mean the
Uh,
actual like plug. I just wonder if that's something we can connect here because I use it in my Discord like to put notifications out like when I
oh, okay.
stream.
Mm,
You know
that's
what?
good.
Can you pull up your screen?
All
Let's
right, hold
let's
on.
uh let's see if there's a zap for it. I bet you there is.
No, I don't want screenshot. I want share screen. Okay, here we go.
Go ahead and yeah, so you already did your outbound. Can you just for the sake of example, go ahead and just hit this plus sign right here. Let's just create another one. Add a zap and for here just type the name of the application. If that, just type if
If that, then this.
or get rid of TT. If. Just type if. Yeah, let's see. Say open up a new tab and just say if that then this Zapier.
All right, you said open up a new tab.
Yeah, and just Google it real fast. I just want to see if
Oh, okay, okay.
maybe they call it something else. See, it might be that acronym IFTTT, and then say Zapier. Scroll down. Wait a minute. How can I create if that right there? Stop. Go right here. Click this. The best way using paths by Zapier, it would run different. No, that's for logic. That's do the IFTT.
Wait,
What? That's
no, that's
computer
not.
world.
No, that's not it. But that it.
Yeah,
It may not. I'm surprised nothing came up so far. It may
try
not.
try putting in come back over to Zapier and just try putting in that IFTT. So put IFTT. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
nothing. Yeah.
Oh, I just was curious.
No worries. Sorry about that. What is it
Oh, no
what does it
problem.
connect? What does it do?
It's tons of like it's tons of stuff it does, and I've only scratched the surface of it. But like
If
if I go live,
Prompts,
it
right?
like sends notifications out, let people know
I
I'm live, how many people are showing, a
I,
link to
Mm-hmm.
my stream. So
I bet you that it has I bet
if
you
not,
that
I
it
bet you there's something else in here that's similar to that type
right.
thing.
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, there's
I
lots
just
of
don't
stuff
know
you
what
can
it's
do.
called. Yeah. So just was
Mhm.
curious.
No
All right,
worries.
thank
No problem. And I can also like look in and see if I can find something after the class.
all
Okay.
right,
So
thank you.
After we
everyone,
put our email in, did that
so
work
yeah, go
yet?
ahead and share your screen. Let me see somebody's screen.
So
Rich, do
after I
we
put the
have to
email, I'm
use
gonna.
an email
Okay, I
or
gotta
can
go
we
back
use
to
like
that.
a text, like a phone number to get
You can
texted?
send a text message. So tell you what, Zapier used to have SMS by Zapier, but I think they took it away. Can you hit a plus button and then just type SMS? You can use Twilio, but that's another class. I have a class where I'm going to teach. See, you can use any of these SMS apps. I use Twilio. Scroll down. But they used to have SMS by Zapier, but they took it away because the government ended up making you can't send text messages now unless they are 2DL certified, and basically they just in order to combat spam and robocalls, the
Mm-hmm.
government then put this restriction on sending out text messages that the carriers have to follow, and Zapier couldn't keep up with that. But I use Twilio. Twilio will let you send, like, I can show you an example. I can come over here and show you an example from my Zapier how Twilio works. But that would let you send out SMS, or you would have to sign up with one of these carriers in order to send out an SMS.
Is that what you had used for me? Like, remember when you did my contact page
Yep,
for me?
when I did yours, yeah, yep, exactly. Yep, I use Twilio.
Okay.
I use Twilio for mine. In fact, here I'll show you. So I'll just show real quick with mine. So if we continue with record, I can use Twilio right here, right? And with Twilio, I can select an event. So I'll call the phone. Like I'll make a phone call with it. Watch this. But it can also do text message. But I'll use this number. I'll say,
Dang it.
Okay.
right, and I'll choose a voice for it. I'll make it a
Oh
woman.
wow.
The language, I'll make it English, and then
Wow.
It's amazing what we could do.
two number. Okay. Did I put a phone number on here? No, so I'll just make it. Continue. So I'm gonna just test this. Where's my phone at? And then you'll be able to hear it.
Test person just submitted the form.
Did you all hear that?
I
Oh,
heard
okay.
that.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
So
It's
yeah.
cool.
tight.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
okay.
so that's doing it that way. But then another thing is you can string as many zaps together as you want, but let's do email, right? So I'll send email by
The email.
Zapier, and we'll continue with that email setup. So we choose
Mm-hmm.
the event, send outbound email, and we put in the person that we want to send an email to. So in this case, like, we could choose to send it to, like an email address that's part of the fields. But in this case, I'm going to send it to myself.
Yeah, so yeah, that's the when they submit the form, that's the email that's gonna go to.
Yeah, this is the email
Oh, this
that's
will
going to
go
get notified.
give
Okay, okay.
And
confirmation.
then this is the subject. So you can say new email from, right? And then you could put the person's name. So if they submit their name, you could just grab that field. And this is what I was saying earlier. When you submit the form fields, they come right here, and all of that data
Mm-hmm.
that they submit, you pop that in as dynamic placeholders. So in this case, I just put this placeholder for the name field, and you can see that the test data that was submitted with it, the name was test person.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
And so in this
Do I
case,
I do name? What did you click on? You clicked on the name.
That was the information I
right,
filled out
but
on the
but if your
form.
form didn't have that field, I don't know if your form
Oh,
had a
mine
name
did.
field.
Mine did.
It did. Okay.
Okay, I
Okay.
figured it out.
Gotcha. And so in the body, you just basically construct the body, and you can say
Mm-hmm.
however you want. It will maintain the formatting. So I'll say greetings, and then I'll put the person's name, and then I'll no, excuse me, because this is coming to me. So instead of
That's
me
coming to
saying,
you. Okay.
yeah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna I'm gonna say greetings, Rich, and
Okay,
then I'm
I don't
gonna
have
say for
body.
this one, I'll say test person just submitted
Oh, okay. And then I
following
type in my
information,
fields. Yeah.
Okay, I don't
and
have
then come
body.
down here and let's just put the information. So I can say email address, and then put in that field. Hit the drop down. Say phone number. I put an email address in for phone number. And then you could put like the date, right? And I'll say form title.
Where's the body of this form?
Yeah, I don't have body.
It's going to be
Oh, it's
on
underneath the.
Okay,
Let's
I see.
exit out of
underneath
there.
subject. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
looking.
body.
If there's
Yeah.
going to be any attachments, like if you made your form, gravity forms can have uploads. So maybe if you had uploads in your form, you could attach those uploads to the email.
Yeah, I don't have body.
For the from
Yeah, it's
name.
all the way up. Yeah, scroll back up to the top.
You
So
don't have
Exit out of what you had before. It's just covering body.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
Under
covering.
it's under
subject.
under
actions.
Yeah,
action.
you might have your drop down fields covering it like that. You see how if I
Yeah.
click inside a subject, the drop down covers body. So you would want to click off of that so that it
Oh, I
goes away.
see. I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the from name, the
Oh.
from name is so that you know when you open up an email and it tells you, who it's from, that's what's going to go there. The reply to, so when
I'm
in
at the
this
what?
case I'm going to select the person's email address that they used when they submitted the form. That way I can just hit the reply button and it'll go straight to them.
Can I see what you wrote in your body one more
Yeah,
time?
me too.
Sure.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, you said.
Name of test
Hmm.
person.
And so for each one of those points, I'm just selecting the data that was submitted in the form. You will only have the options available to select from that are available in the form that you submitted.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
So we have to edit those fields.
Yeah. And just so
Okay.
that you're aware, if you make changes to your form, you will need to come back over into Zapier and remap those fields that you changed.
Mm.
Because Zapier will not know about those changes that you made on your form. So you'll have to come back over and make updates.
Yeah, see, I don't even have anything that I could enter
Let me
in there right
see.
now. That would be.
You don't have anything on your form?
It doesn't
You can
look
go
like
back
it.
and just edit your form and just put like name, email address, phone number on
Yeah.
there.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I want to do.
You
I'm
want
gonna
to
go
do
back and edit my phone.
your form tray isn't working?
It is.
You
I
had some
mean, no,
fields on
it's.
there.
I think it's working. I just.
Let's see your screen.
Okay, hold on.
I'll come back over there.
Uh, it's. I'm trying to get. Oh dang! How did I do it?
Okay, what you got?
Okay, I'm trying to
So
do the body like
if
you
you
had.
if you scroll down here, see you've got to scroll down farther. You've got all of these fields. Yeah, if you scroll down, like all of this is your form data that
Oh,
was
I got too
submitted.
much stuff. Okay.
You got a lot of
Yeah, I want
username
to go
Trey
back and
down
edit
here.
my
So you got
phone.
username down here. Number. That's the phone number right there.
Okay.
So you can grab those fields and it would put that stuff in there.
Okay. Okay.
So is everyone ready to move forward?
So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
want to go.
Okay.
Like I said, I want to go back and edit my phone
That's fine. So now,
because it's too
Trey, we'll continue
complicated.
using you for an example. Go ahead and just click the X right here so that you close that drop down. And then, so once again, if you had any media in your form, you could attach it right here. But your form name, that's gonna be the name that you recognize on the form. So no, in this case, Trey, no 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 no, yeah, the from name. Sorry, I said form name. I meant to say from name. Sorry about that. Hit hit select one of your fields that has the person's name in it. So I think you've got
Okay.
name. Yeah, there you go. You got first and last name. So put a space and then put the last name field after it. Put a space though. Yeah. It maintains the white space in the formatting
Oh,
that you
okay.
set. So it's
Mm-hmm.
important
Okay.
to put those spaces. So then you can go ahead and hit that X tray.
See, I need to edit those.
Yeah.
Reply to. Go ahead and hit and put the email address in here. So scroll down. Select email. No.
Oh,
Yeah, select it because
Reply.
you want to be able to hit reply and reply to the person that submitted the form. So you want their email address.
I don't think I had an
You didn't
email
you didn't
field.
collect it?
Yeah, I didn't collect the
You
email
didn't put
field.
that. Okay.
Okay. Well, you can
S-
just you can I don't think it's a required field. So you can close that and you can come back to it later. If
okay.
you needed to carbon copy anyone, you can put the CC in there or the batch carbon copy for BCC. You can put, as many email addresses in there, comma separated, to email anybody that you need to be notified when this was submitted also. So continue scrolling. The force line breaks option will, like if there's a line break in your formatting, it'll force those line breaks. Um, and yeah, go ahead and just enable receipts. You can select yes to be notified when they open and stuff like that. True.
That's what I did.
True.
Yeah. And then go ahead and hit continue. And now when you hit test step, you'll get an email. So
Okay.
everyone,
Cool.
yep, go ahead and hit test step.
See, I don't have any information in the field, so it's not giving me.
You didn't
You
put any
said
information.
Mm-mm.
enable receipts is
Yeah,
true.
you
You
can.
said
Oh, an email
you
came
said true.
through. Look at
You
Yeah,
said
that.
true.
yeah,
Sample
yeah. Go
value,
ahead
new
and true.
contact
Yeah,
form.
Oh.
yeah. Scroll down, Trey, and then just hit continue. Trey, you can check and make sure that you received your email.
Okay, about to
You
check.
can close this zap out right here. You can close this out.
This one? Okay.
Yeah, there you go. You can close this. Get rid of this action right here. Drop this. Delete.
Okay. Delete.
Yeah, you only need these two. Really delete. Yeah, it always says really. There's a confirmation. So go ahead and
I did not get mine.
I get
You didn't
mine
get
I'm
your
either.
looking
email?
publish.
for
Yeah, go ahead and hit publish.
my email now.
Uh-oh.
You didn't get your email?
Mm-mm.
No, let me make sure I typed it
I'm
right.
about to look.
Yeah, I'm going back and double checking it
Go
now.
ahead and close
Nope, I
this
typed
out.
my email wrong. That's why.
Okay.
Go ahead and close this. Now, Trey, what I want you to do is come back to your form. Have you embedded your form on the front end of your website anywhere?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I'm waiting to put the another page. I want a
Oh, okay.
separate page for
So
contact page.
so you can just go ahead and hit preview
Oh,
Preview.
got it.
and then
Okay.
just fill this form out and see if you get an email. You should
Oh,
you should
okay.
get an
Okay.
email right after you fill it out.
Mm.
Mm,
Okay, hit the
mm.
preview. All right, let me fill it
Yeah,
out.
Yeah, I need
Twilio
to.
is real
It
easy to
says
use
test
and
step.
I think that like for anybody that's interested in learning it, I can cover it in here as well.
Yep, I got
Um,
my
Yes.
email. I typed my
sweet.
Yay.
email address wrong. That
Mm-hmm.
was my
Yeah.
fault.
Okay. Another thing I wanted to cover with you all, if you were interested, is building chat bots. So having
Oh,
a little
yeah.
chat bot.
Yeah.
You want that? Okay.
Yes.
So
Okay.
yeah, I was going AI powered chat bots that will be able
Mm-hmm.
to talk to people about the stuff you want them to talk to about, know about your
Mm-hmm.
business and
Nice.
stuff.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So we can cover that. But this Zapier, once you get the hang of it, you'll use it for so much stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and
Gotta get the hang of it.
yeah, so we'll keep covering it in here also if you all want to.
Sweet.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Okay.
Oh
Thank you.
wow.
Thank you
Yep, I
so
got an email.
much.
I got
You get
notified.
the email. Did everyone do a test and get the email?
I'm typing in the
Mm-hmm.
information. I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
Okay, submit. Yeah, I don't have it. Thank you for contacting us. We will. Okay.
Well, it only submitted the following form. It only what? Okay. Yeah, it did not do right. Okay, let me show you the email. Let me show you the email that I got.
Oh.
Okay. See, it
Go
only
ahead
it
and
don't
set.
show all the information that I put in.
Well, You didn't put any more information in. I was there with you
Just
when we
that.
was putting it in. You only put
Yeah, you
because you
said you didn't have anything else in there.
You don't even say my name.
you didn't
Oh,
you
there you go.
You didn't
yeah
put that in.
yeah you put Trey Johnson right. It's
Oh,
right
okay.
here.
Trey Johnson. Okay,
Yeah,
there's my
Trey
name.
Johnson just submitted yeah, that's how we did. We put your name, we
Okay.
put the name, and then we put just somebody at the
Oh,
bottom.
that is
Yeah,
how.
Yep.
Yeah,
yeah, and
I
it
get it.
came.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I get it. Okay, okay. My bad.
No worries.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. Any questions or anything?
Oh, this is recorded, right?
Yep, it sure
I'm
is.
gonna
I'm
Yeah.
gonna
go back
post
and
it.
be looking at this like like
You'll
crazy.
have to
There you
skip past the
go.
part where we were struggling.
30
Skip past
minutes
the
worth.
first 50 minutes.
Right.
I do apologize about that
Nah,
again.
no,
I
good.
was,
No, it's all
just
good.
It's all good.
yeah, I was focused on the top part of the screen and started getting started getting tunnel vision because it should have worked. So we was missing something simple.
Oh,
But
man.
yeah, so
Mm-hmm.
you should now be able to connect Zapier to different stuff. If you have any questions, once again, just ask them in the chat in the Instagram group. I'll make video tutorials or whatever showing how to do whatever you want to do.
Oh, yeah, I had a
Play
question about that. Why can't I see the group on IG on my phone, but not the computer?
sometimes what I've noticed with Instagram is sometimes you
Okay.
have to refresh. I noticed that sometimes like some of my chats be available when I scroll
Mhm.
down, and then I'll scroll down again and some of them aren't available. Then I have to refresh and then they'll come available again, especially when it comes to these groups. So maybe
Hmm.
Yeah, IG started as a mobile app, so
Uh-huh.
they didn't make the functionality and they're
for the
just now
web
starting
page.
to like update the functionality to
Y-
be
Right.
yeah, PC
Now we can
friendly.
switch over to Discord if that works better for everyone. But
No.
I didn't do it in
She
Discord
said no.
because it's kind of like hit and miss with people using it.
She
Yeah.
said
I'm trying to
no.
get my notification. She
No.
said no real quick.
No.
Okay, I didn't get my email.
You didn't?
No, let me see. I'm looking to make sure I type my email address in there right.
Don't
So I
be
can
like
text
me.
you with the check. I did type it in
Okay, I'm
right.
on
You
IG.
type. You want to share the screen, Fuchsia?
What the heck?
Hold on. Yeah, but I
Let's see
know
what
I'm
you
missing
got.
some fields. I just hold on. Let me see. Here we go. Uh-oh, I done lost everything. Wait a
Oh,
minute.
snap.
My
Don't
screen
lose
and
it.
everything. I can't even see my
Uh-oh.
screen. My remote disconnected. Oh God, and even my mouse ain't working.
If
Good
my
Lord.
headset die, I'll grab my other one, and
Does
so
it
I'll disappear
matter
for a moment,
what
and then I'll
browser
come
I'm
right
on,
back.
maybe? Because I
Hmm.
refreshed my screen. I'm on IG. I'm
Hmm.
in messages, and I refreshed my screen, and
My email went to
WordPress
my
group
spam,
is
so
still
just an
not coming up.
FYI.
Did it?
Oh, okay. Well, let me check my spam real
No, so
quick.
yeah,
Mhm.
check it. And
Mm.
yeah, so I just
Join.
typed like crazy, just some random character. So
Yeah,
that's
and
one of
that
the
might be
reasons
why I
why.
went to
That's why
spam.
I probably did. Yeah. So
But if you hit not spam, it
yeah,
won't
it
go to
restored
spam.
it. Yeah, it
Yeah,
restored it. But
yeah,
yeah, to the back to the inbox. But yeah, just FYI, just in
yeah.
case.
No,
Hmm.
it did
And
not
by the
work.
way, DJ Marcus, if you don't mind, send me the name of that application that you use because I want to just check and see if there's a way we can use it with Zapier.
All right, cool.
Because you'll be able to have it hooked into your
Yeah,
website and everything else.
IFTTT. If this, then that is what it is.
Right.
Mhm.
Okay.
And it's similar to this, like, hey, if this happens, this
Right.
triggers this, do this,
Mhm.
that
Right.
kind of thing. So it's very
Gotcha.
similar.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's Logics.
Yeah.
Prompts.
Okay. Let me see if yeah, my screen's not showing. I can't even see my own screen.
Mm.
And actually, it
What the
just dawned on
hell?
me, I haven't used it in a
All
minute as
right, let
far
me
as
click
setting
on
new stuff
this.
up. So I wonder if there's AI embedded with it
Mm.
now. So
Oh, he said
Rich is praying.
his gonna die. He
Yeah.
said his
Mm-hmm.
He'll
headset
switch
was
to
Oh,
his
he
new
oh he
other
did.
headset. He
Okay.
said,
He said he was gonna switch headsets. Well, I'm good. I'm ready for dinner now.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, I'm
out of
about to
here,
check
guys.
with
It
the
was
missus.
so good
This is
hanging
a
out
great
with you guys
class.
and
Yeah. Did he give his
learning.
cash app?
No,
No,
he
he didn't
didn't
put it
yet.
up.
Tell him to put in the group
They put
chat.
in the in the chat. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta play with this form and everything.
And I'm sorry, what was
Okay,
that thing
I'll
about
admit it since the
IG?
teacher's not
Is
here.
it
I
like you
haven't
can't
touched
see
my web
everything on your
page
Yeah, he
PC?
was
all
talking
Yeah,
week.
about
That,
I ain't
groups,
touched it
yes.
not one
I
time.
can't see like the WordPress
messages.
group on my
Yeah.
computer when I'm on the
But what I
computer
did
I
do, what I
can't
in
did
either.
come up with
IG,
Yeah.
information
but I
from
see
my
it on my
forums.
phone now.
I didn't
See it
make
on your
them, but
I
I
see it
phone.
came
on
up
my
with
phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
I
know,
came
I
up with
never.
information from
Yeah.
my forums.
That's
So
weird.
like I know what's going to go into them, but
Oh, okay.
Mm.
I
Okay.
just didn't do anything actually
And
on
I'm
the actual
refreshing my
site.
screen now. I'm on IG on my
Let me
computer
see. Let
and
me
it's still
see. Let
not
me see if
showing
I
up.
can see
But I'm
IG.
looking
So,
dead at the group on my
As a
phone.
matter
so
of
You know
fact,
you
when
and
what?
he
A
I
comes
group
back,
traded
that
how
I'll
to
I
go over it to
update our
with
created,
you.
I can
forms.
see on my computer.
Let
Hmm.
me see if I can see it on
We
my
Hmm.
need to add more
computer.
to our forums.
Hey, make sure I'm signed into the right account.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah, I
I'm
set up
trying
my
to.
first forum pretty close to what it's actually going to be.
WordPress and
Oh,
Workrooms.
It's
nice.
just like when we was in
Mm,
class, I'm like I might as well just do it. So since we was
I
doing
yeah,
it
know
then.
let me
that's
see.
right.
Can I see it?
That's what I did, but I'm
Yeah,
missing out
Yeah,
so
because
I'm
it
much
in
should
the
be
right
right at the
information.
account.
top.
So what the
Oh yeah, I do.
heck?
I see it. WordPress and Workroom. Yeah, I
Where
see the
was it?
group.
Was it in spam?
No, 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 no. I'm sorry. He was saying he couldn't see his Instagram
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
group chat
you
on
see
his computer. I see mine. I do see mine.
how
Hmm.
the
Did you
heck
find your email?
No, I didn't see it yet. I'll go back and play with it.
request? How the heck? Okay, let me hold on. Okay, so I'm on my IG and I go to messages.
Natura.
Uh-huh.
There she
And
is.
I go to messages and I don't see.
Groups. You have to go to group.
Oh, how do you go to groups?
Oh, wait,
Hmm.
let's see. There's, well, that's Facebook Messenger. Okay, so that's your
It's
meta
not
stuff.
Facebook messages. It's on
No.
IG.
Right. I was looking
Oh,
at the
Okay,
little
click on the
thing.
oh, okay.
yeah, you should be able to start type it in though. You should be
Search.
able
Hit the
to
magnifying
search
glass
it.
and then go to HUM.
Hmm.
The
There it
name of the
is.
group is WordPress and
It's
no,
called
the name of
yeah, it's
the
called
group chat is WordPress
WordPress and Workrooms. I'm gonna type that
and
in.
Workrooms. That's the name of the group.
Okay, so WordPress. I said WordPress and
Wait a minute, you're in the search though. You're not in your
He's trying to pull
messages.
up his IG group
Messages.
chat. He's saying he can't see it on his
yeah, and
yeah,
it's
he
not
can't see it on
Yeah.
his computer, but he can see it on his phone.
Yeah, I
Hmm.
can't
WordPress and
either.
Workrooms. Nothing comes up.
Hey,
Hmm.
they got a. I didn't know they had a
It's not even coming.
WordPress and Workrooms.
Oh,
It's
that's
not
not
even
it.
coming up.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well,
But
I
I
gotta
know
keep
it
this
exists. I'm
connecting.
looking at it on my phone right now.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not showing up when I search it.
On the
Yeah.
And it's spelled right, correct?
mm-hmm.
Yeah. I
I don't know
noticed.
why you're not seeing it.
I noticed stuff like that with Instagram. Also, it just be random little
Mm.
weird.
Oh, okay. Go to profile, IT
Oh,
tray,
oh,
and
I'm
then
sorry.
you know the little icon that shows your messages. Once you go to profile, right there on the very bottom, all the way down right there,
Mhm.
and then at the top right, messages. Oh, where is it? Oh, I updated mine so I could see the little
All right,
messages
I'm
on
about to go
top.
eat dinner.
Okay,
Okay,
go
Peace and
have a
love,
good
Fuchsia.
lady.
Did
dinner.
you get
Thank
yours?
you.
Did you get it
I
working?
don't
Did
see
you?
it. Maybe more under there,
I didn't
IT
see it,
tray.
but
See more
I'm
underneath
good.
Can
profile.
we? Can I just take a peek at your
Sure,
situation
let
real
me pull
quick?
it back up real quick.
Trey, let
Hold
me
on, let me
just
get
take a
back
look
to
real
it.
quick with hers.
Let me
Mhm.
get back to it
Let's just
real
see.
quick. Okay, so let me get to my share screen. Okay, it disappeared. Okay, come on, stop playing with me. Okay, so you
Okay.
see,
So we've got. So you've got. So first of all, can you scroll up?
let me see. My
Scroll up
mouse
so
is
that we can
acting
see
up.
your action. And go to
Okay.
your action right here.
Mm-hmm.
And let me see. So you've got it going here. This is where you
Yep.
want it to go, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's spelled correctly. No spaces,
Yep.
no white spaces or anything in there. Okay. And then you're just gonna say you just received an email. Okay, scroll
Yep.
down.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down from name. You don't want to put you don't have to put anything. It's not
Okay.
required. And then scroll. Continue.
Continue.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then test.
This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna have to log out.
Okay. An outbound message was sent. An outbound email was sent. So
All
go
right.
ahead
Let's
and check
see.
your email. You can stop sharing if so you can log
Okay.
into your email account.
Oh, I can look at it from my phone. Let's
Okay.
see. I got it.
You got the email?
All
Yep,
right.
I got it.
All right, bet,
Yay.
bet,
I
bet,
got
bet.
it.
Anyone else get did Cyber Shay? You look like you look like
Um,
you
I had put a wrong email in. I
okay.
tested it. I don't know.
But you got it?
I
You wanna
tested.
you wanna share?
All right, I'm gonna go jump and eat my dinner so I
Have
can
a
be.
good one,
All
Fuchsia.
Thank
See
All
you
you.
right,
I
next
enjoy your
week.
right,
appreciate
dinner.
you.
Future.
Can you
Plug your
please
dinner.
put your cash app in the group chat?
I
Mm-hmm.
will. I'll do that
All right.
when we get when I get all settled. Thank you
All
so
right. We'll
much. But
bug you if
once
you
again,
don't.
nothing
We'll
is
keep.
required from
We
anyone.
know.
Like
We know. We
it's
know. We just
yeah.
want you to know we
But
It's
appreciate
just
okay.
you.
we really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right. I'm out.
Th-
All right, bye,
Thank you. Have a
Future.
good one,
All
Fuchsia.
right. Y'all have a
See
good
you,
rest of your
girl.
See
evening.
you,
Okay.
Fuchsia.
So does anyone else need any help? Cyber Shay, you?
Let me see. Let me see real quick.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna
then,
log
The
out.
one thing I did notice was that
oh, okay.
I put in an invalid email first and then the
Mm-hmm.
correct one, and it didn't send it
Mm.
at all.
Oh,
But then when I
Really?
removed the invalid one,
Oh,
then it
Oh
it,
sent it
yeah,
it
because it
through.
Yes.
could.
gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay,
it checked
yeah.
to make sure it was
Mm-hmm.
valid.
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. Mm-hmm.
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 Yeah, I
yeah.
don't know why it's
Okay.
doing
How
that.
do you go in and remove the invalid
So if you want to edit this, you have to hit the pencil icon right here.
one? Okay.
And then these will come editable.
Okay.
And now what do you want to so you have an N right here before your name. So you can get rid of that N.
Okay.
Yeah, it can hit the drop down and select. You got you've got an N right there. No.
Oh,
Um
that. Oh, because I was doing that.
yeah. There you go. Yep. So you can hit the X right here and close that out. You could say Cyber Shave submitted an email. You can type natural text in here also. It doesn't have to only be the field values.
So how do I if I go back and edit my form, will it update like? Cause I put
You'll have to
the
come back and
body, I put
you
email,
hmm
but I don't have an email in my form now.
but if you didn't have an email when you submitted it, then you're gonna have to resubmit it. So here's the thing. Let me say this for the record. Zapier has to have test data in order to know what fields are in the form. So if you make a change to your form, resubmit a test. Just put some random data in the fields, resubmit it, then come back to your Zapier, and you can come back here to form submissions and you can refresh the fields and it'll go back
Okay.
and get the new fresh data.
Good to know.
Okay. So
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna go
can
back.
refresh it. So like if you in fact you said that you did it, let's do it right now with Trey.
Yeah, I'm
You
going
said
to
that you made a
forms.
form a change. G-Deuce?
Yeah.
Well, no, I
I'm
was just
sorry.
gonna ask. So if you don't refresh it and just say business as usual, it'll what send errors in your emails or something?
Yeah, so like let's imagine you took
Mm.
away a field that you
Mm-hmm.
had mapped in Zapier and then you
Mm-hmm.
changed it and that field no longer exists.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not going to return an error unless it was necessary. So
Mm.
let's say that you chose to send this outbound email and the email address you wanted it to send to was the email field in your
Mm-hmm.
form. And then you changed that field. You deleted the email field for whatever reason.
Mm-hmm.
Now the Zap is going to have an error because it can't send that email out because that email address is missing.
But,
So
but what about in the body? Like if you say
it would just be
hello.
missing information.
Okay,
So
gotcha.
if you was to
Okay.
say hello
Mm-hmm.
and then first and last name and then choose to delete the first and last name field, you
Mm-hmm.
would just have hello empty space inside of your body.
Gotcha.
So as
Thank
long
you.
as the field is not required for the next step to process, it'll go ahead and process. But if the field was required for the next step to process, then it'll break the Zap.
Okay.
Cybershay.
Yeah.
Look
Um,
like you want to say
yep.
something.
I'm just looking at this.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
correct.
So yeah, so you've got all of this that it all looks good to me. You want to go ahead and submit it for a test.
Okay.
So go ahead and continue. Scroll down. Go ahead and test step. And now it's sending, and now an email was sent to you. You can check your email.
Okay. Do I have to press publish?
You can press publish after you confirm that you received the email and that
Oh,
this is,
okay.
yeah. So you hit publish once you know that this is how you want the Zap to be set up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. So
So we go into forms to edit those
yeah,
fields to
I'm
add
trying to
fields.
move this up and it won't let me. Like
What do you want to move
I'll
up?
wait until she finish.
Okay,
Oh no, I
Maddie.
was done. Well,
Okay.
same thing that he's trying to do, edit the forms to add more
Mhm.
fields.
Mm-hmm. So if you want to,
Okay.
if you go back to your
Hi, Judith.
who's sharing?
Thanks.
Cyber Shay is sharing right now.
You want me
Do
to move
you?
my screen?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
if you're squared away,
I'm not.
and either
I can.
Trey
I
or
can
Okay.
Maddie
share
can
screen.
share
I'm
theirs
sure.
so that we
Look,
can.
see, I'm right here. I'm editing my form. I'm
How
Okay.
did
trying to
you, oh,
move
you went to
submit.
forms there with the,
Yeah, I
okay.
just want the forms, and then you click edit on your form, and then you
Mm-hmm.
can start editing
On
it.
the one that we're working with right
Yes,
now.
the one that you're working on. But I'm trying to move this submit
Edit.
button up because they got a page break right there.
But this is at the bottom of the page because you've
Oh,
got
okay.
these pages. Now you can get rid of these. Do you want your form in these pages
Okay.
like this?
So it
It
came.
doesn't have to be. We just
I
set it
just
up
want to
like.
see. I just got name, first
Mm-hmm.
name, last name, and I got email, phone,
And
and
then
then
it goes to the
submit.
next
That's it.
page, and then you put. So you don't need those pages. So just click on page break and then hit delete.
Okay, hit delete.
Click,
Right.
yeah,
Then it'll be one form, right?
Okay,
yeah,
awesome. Okay,
yeah.
awesome.
We was remember you because you had showed the example of that type form with the pages, and then I
Yeah,
showed how to do. But you don't
yeah.
need it for
Okay,
this form, so you
How
can
do
go
okay.
I
ahead and
add
save your form.
more? I'm on the same thing he is, but where do I add some more fields?
Sure. All of your fields are over here
Right
on the
here.
right hand side over here, and
It's
you
right
drag and
here.
drop them.
Where it
Let
says
me,
add fields.
yeah, let her share her screen, Trey.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and
Okay.
share.
I got the email.
Sweet.
All right, that's
Good
what's up.
job.
Right.
Yay.
Great.
Okay.
Yay.
Confetti.
Yay.
Confetti.
Confetti.
I gotta go. I gotta
Confetti.
go feed my. I gotta go feed my son. So I gotta go.
Okay.
All
Okay.
Thank
right.
you
Bye,
for coming,
Shay.
Cyber Shay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Take
So
Bye.
care.
share. So is
Bye,
this
Cyber
share?
Shay.
Yeah,
Share
I'm about to bounce
All
screen.
here
right.
too.
Bye.
Hey, Rich,
Okay.
thank you. Oh no, I'm gonna show you something real quick after Maddie shares the screen.
Okay, sweet.
Okay. Okay. So I'm
Okay.
sharing.
So right now, Maddie, you've got this field clicked. Anytime you click a field, the
Yes.
settings are going to show up. But you can
Got
get to
it.
your add all fields by clicking this add
There
fields.
it is.
Yeah, and now you've got standard fields up here at the top, but if you scroll down, you've got advanced fields, and then if and you've got pricing fields. In fact, we
Oh,
should do a class on pricing fields because then we can make a form where you can put like different services and things like that, and then collect payment and stuff like that. So
okay. I
we'll yeah,
just
you
Okay.
could make
when
like
you added
products and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
first and
Mm-hmm.
last name, that should
Hmm.
be in standard
That's a
fields,
no,
right?
that's an advanced field because
Oh,
it's our
okay.
yeah. So click advanced fields, and you'll
Okay.
see name, email address, phone number.
Oh, there we
See,
go.
yep. See date and time. If you needed a person to select a date and time in your form, you could use the date and time field. But yeah, and you can drag these over and put them wherever you want in here.
Okay.
You said when we update our form, we gotta change what in Zapier?
You got to go back over in Zapier and you've
Uh-huh.
got to update your Zapier action for that for
That's
gravity forms.
the send
And you have to
outbound emails.
and you have to update everything after that that you
Oh
need to
dang.
use that field because the form has when the form changed the data structure has changed. The data structure changed,
Uh
you got to make the update in Zapier.
okay, so I gotta find that. Okay. It's concept. Let me
okay.
see. Whew, man. Okay, let's see.
This is so cool.
I like doing it. I like figuring out new
All right,
stuff.
Rich, let me show you this here real quick just before I
Okay.
jump up
Yeah.
out of
Cool.
here.
Yeah. Let's do it. You
All
can
right,
share.
so I know we got this class and we're like learning a lot of stuff, and
Mm-hmm.
you wonder what you can do with it later. So
Mm-hmm.
Rich used to do videos. Whoops, that's the wrong thing. Give me 1 second. He used to do videos on YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Trey knows because Trey came in my
Yes.
world and flexed on me. I'm like, how the hell he got a personalized shirt in my world? But
Right?
Yeah.
but wait 1 second. Let me because of those t-shirt tutorials. That was my first time playing around with
Oh
Blender.
yeah.
Okay.
This is my
Okay,
first world.
Good
Nice.
This is my first
job.
full world building
Yes.
Blender.
Nice,
This is only part
nice.
of
Nice.
it, but that's all I'm gonna
Yes.
show. But yeah.
Good
So I'm
Yes.
actually
job.
this is
Yeah.
opening tomorrow night.
Confetti.
Yeah, this is opening
Yeah.
tomorrow night. So
What
Yes.
but
time?
yeah, Rich, 10 p.m. Eastern.
Okay.
Rich,
Yes.
like I said, if it wasn't for those videos that really broke down
Yes.
Blender, just to kind of get my toe wet, so to say, thank you.
Yeah.
So I
Yes.
Man,
salute. Yeah.
yes,
Oh,
sir,
bro.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah. Keep
awesome,
Congratulations,
So
Good
bro.
after
awesome.
job.
tomorrow,
Yeah.
because I
Keep
know you're
at
not
it.
up that late, I'll probably have some video and some posts, and you can,
Mhm.
or anytime
Okay.
after that, if you ever want to just pop in, I'll let you see what the world looks like. But yeah,
Sweet.
so
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Awesome.
I
That
would
looks
so
like to.
great,
Yeah, I would
though.
like to check
That
it
looks
out.
great.
That's
Yeah,
dope,
it
but yeah,
Marcus.
does.
I
It
can't
yeah.
wait
does,
to
man.
jump in.
Congratulations,
Wow.
bro.
Thank you. But like I
Yeah.
said, it was
Awesome.
because of them those videos that. But look, before they took you down,
They took me
They
down, man.
took you
They knocked
down?
the air out of me. Yeah, with
What?
yeah,
the.
that
What do
was
you
pretty. That
mean?
was pretty bad. But
Oh
we
my
won't
Yeah.
talk about that.
gosh.
But yeah,
Yeah.
That's too
but yeah, thank
bad.
you again.
They
Yeah.
took his videos down?
Well, yeah, they kind of attacked me. It's a long story.
Oh my
That's
God.
that's
Yeah.
too bad.
Haters.
Just
Yeah.
hater shit. Just
Haters. It
just
is
hater stuff.
Yeah.
Just
haters.
leave it at that. Just
Haters.
Yes.
haters. Just
Yeah.
leave it
Yeah.
at that.
Yeah, they
I
knocked the
always
air
say
out of
more
me with the
levels, more
tutorials.
doubles. That's what I say.
Yeah.
That's
What do you
part of the reason
say?
I'm doing this is like
Yeah,
this.
I kind of
What
figured
do you
Yeah.
that.
say,
I kind of
Manny?
figured. I didn't say anything,
Look, you
but
see
I
they
kind
ain't
of
stopped
figured
you.
that.
You see
I kind of
they ain't
figured
stopped
that.
you.
So,
You still going. So
I know that's right.
so yeah, I kind of figured that one. All right,
Yeah.
Yeah.
everybody. I'll
All
catch up
right,
later.
man.
Everybody
You
enjoy
have
Bless
a
the rest
good
of your
one,
you.
bro.
night.
And thanks for
I'm
You do
out.
the
showing us
same,
that,
buddy.
Bye,
man.
No
I
problem, man.
appreciate
Hey,
Marcus.
it.
thanks for sharing the
Congratulations.
videos.
For
Thank you for
sure,
doing it.
man. For
All right,
sure.
Thank you
everybody.
so
Peace.
much, Rich. Looking forward to that Cash App. Bye,
Yes.
guys.
Mhm. Bye,
No
Maddie. See you
problem. No
See you
problem.
later.
tomorrow. See you later.
You
Yeah,
going,
Okay.
you're
Maddie?
awesome,
I
Rich.
am.
See you later, Maddie. Have a
Bye.
good
Thank you
evening. Bye
so much,
bye. No
Rich.
Mhm.
problem. No problem at all. Thanks for
Appreciate
coming.
you.
what
Thank
did you
you.
say? I go rich to update
So, okay. So first thing you want to do is go to submissions. Click on submissions
submissions.
and click the edit
Oh,
the pencil icon. Anytime you want to edit, you have to click that pencil icon and then come
okay.
back up here to go to refresh fields.
Refresh
Yeah,
fields.
go to refresh fields and then hit
Okay.
continue. Did you submit your form yet?
Oh
The
no.
updated form?
Oh,
Yeah, you got to go back and
so this
submit
is
that
my
first.
form,
So make
and I
sure you
saved
save
it
it
already.
and now go
Yeah.
to preview and just submit it again. You can close
Okay.
this preview out. So you don't
Oh,
have to
okay.
keep those preview pages open. Yeah, you can
Okay.
close them out.
Okay.
And then just submit it. And remember, you're just
Okay.
submitting it so that you get the
Mhm.
data over to
Okay.
Zapier.
Oh,
No, you
I gotta. I
preview.
closed it on accident. My bad.
No
Okay.
problem.
Okay. So I'm gonna just put. Okay. All that's in there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that.
All right. Come back to your Zapier. And then so now scroll down and then just hit find new records. And you're gonna
Final
see a
record.
B this time.
Oh, there we
Yeah.
go.
So you got B and C. So go ahead and select C. Do this one.
C.
Yeah.
Mm.
So now if you look over here, it should be the information that you just submitted.
Okay. What in the world? There it is.
Yeah.
Trade. I'm saying it was some of the name. My email's not there because I put it in there.
Click B. Click B. Let's see what's under B. Click B. Let's see what's under B. Scroll down.
Name. First name, last name.
Yeah.
Email is not there, and I put it
Are
in
you
there.
sure you typed it in?
Yeah, I typed it in.
Do it again.
Let
Just
me do
hit
it again. Yeah,
preview
preview.
and then do it again.
Close this
Cause
one.
you got it required. So.
Yeah, and I got it recorded. Yeah, you said
Oh
that.
well, yeah. Go ahead. Let's just see what.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Email is right there,
Right. Okay.
and then I'm gonna submit it.
Yeah.
Submit it. All right.
Okay.
So
Now
Okay.
now
hit the
come back
second.
over. Hit find new records. E. Do E. Do E.
Oh, E.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yep. It's in
There
There
we
there.
we
go.
Yep.
go.
Yep.
Okay.
Continue with selected record.
Why does it keep all the different versions?
Because they were submitted. So they just, but it just puts it in order of submission. But
So how?
it just
What
keeps it as
happens when you get
cache in
all the way
case you
to
wanted to
Z?
go. Well, I don't know how far it's going to go per se. At some point, they clear it out, but
At some point they do.
it's
Okay.
basically because since the information was submitted, you may want to go back and use that version of it. You may
But
want
the
to use
thing
that data.
is, if you are removing, deleting fields, then
Right? Yeah, and so
yeah, I mean,
yeah, I agree, but just use the most recent one.
right, right. No, no, I
So
get that part, but
yeah.
it just didn't seem to make sense to have all those
Yeah,
different
it
versions.
will clear it out though. Like they will clear it
Okay.
out. And I just offhand I don't know like what the frequency. Go ahead and just come back up, Trey. Go back
Okay.
to it before. Let me just see if there's a clear option in there somewhere. So
Um.
just you could just hit this one. You can just click over here.
Over
Yeah.
here.
Click that, yeah. And then just come back down to the test, to the test one. And now let me just see about our test record. Scroll down. Let me just see if scroll down, scroll down.
It
Hit
doesn't.
this button. What is this? What does this one do? This button right here. You see it?
This.
Right here.
Oh.
Right here. This
Oh.
little
This
pencil
final.
icon. This little pencil icon right here.
What?
You see where I'm
This
pointing
one?
at right here?
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that? Duplicate to edit. Yeah, see, and then it's just gonna make another one. So yeah, you just gotta grab the top one.
Yeah.
But you hit find new records and it'll put it at, but it's going to clear these out.
So it's gonna
I
put the
just don't know
newest one at the
exactly when
top.
they clear it. Yeah,
Right.
do the one at the top. But you can do this one because that's the one we actually like did, and then you just hit the pencil
Form
icon to make
submission
it do that
D.
one. Or E. Do E.
Okay. Let me. Oh,
Yeah,
it's
or
talking about
that one.
E.
You could do that one. You could, as long as
Yeah.
it's
Let's
got the
do that.
data in it. And that's another thing. As long as the fields are in there, as long as the data is in there, that's all that matters.
Okay.
So go ahead and continue with selected record. And now hit continue. And now you've got to go ahead and update these. So you see how this one right
Ooh.
here is yellow? That's because that field don't
Ah.
exist anymore. See?
Oh.
See how it's got that little exclamation point right there?
Yeah.
So that's what happens when you change something. It's that field isn't mapped
Oh.
anymore. So you come back in
Oh.
here and you have to update that. So Trey, you can put your cursor right here before this E, and then you can just delete that one and you can put a new one in there.
Okay.
So
Cause
you
I
would,
put an email.
yeah, so you see how you got phone right here, but you got a new phone field. You got a phone
Oh.
field now instead of a number field.
Oh. So I put phone.
But you want to put your cursor where you want the information to actually show.
Oh
So put
yeah.
your cursor over here at the end, and then also put a space so that you got a space between, and then select email field right here.
But I got email spelled out.
Yeah, but that's only the label. So
Oh.
this is the value. So you type the word email so that you can have a label before it. And now if you come and put your cursor right there and then hit the enter key, you'll drop down a line.
Oh, right
So
here.
drop down a new line and you could type phone. You could type the
Uh,
word phone so that you have a label right there. Put a
oh, so
colon,
that'll
put
be
a
a label.
space. Yeah.
Okay.
Put a colon and then put a space. And then click this field right
Uh,
here.
and then do phone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then I think yeah, it's just email, phone, first and last name. That's correct.
Okay,
So
so then you can hit your X. You hit your X right there. Scroll down. So reply to. Go ahead and put the email address in the reply to. That way you can
okay.
just hit reply and email them back. So select the
Okay.
email field right here.
Email.
Click it.
Okay.
Click it.
Okay. I did that.
Yeah. Oh, you did it. Okay.
Oh,
And then
there.
you can hit the X.
Hit the X.
hmm
Okay.
If you needed to CC anybody or
No.
BCC anybody, you could put
What
those
does that
email addresses.
mean?
What?
CC.
CC stands for
Carbon.
carbon copy.
What's that
So
mean?
so if you think of like actual physical like paper receipts,
Uh
like
huh.
maybe if you had a plumber come by or something like that and they give you a receipt, they'll sometimes write it and they'll
Uh huh.
rip off the part and they give you one part and they keep a part, the other part that they keep is the carbon
Oh.
copy.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what that is.
Batch
Uh.
carbon copy is when you want to send it a carbon copy to a bunch of people. Excuse me,
Yeah,
I think
blind carbon copyright.
it's blind carbon copy.
Yeah, because the
Oh, I thought
thing
it
is,
was bulk carbon copy.
no, because when it's sent, who you're sending it to won't see that you sent it to them.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, okay. Thank
Oh.
Mhm.
you.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
learn
nice.
something every
Okay,
Yeah,
day.
because I
blind
use that
carbon
on the
copy.
job as well. Just like for example, if you sent an email out to say, like in my position, like to all the sysadmins, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I want to
Mhm.
CC their manager, say, because to let them know I sent them this email with this information. But just say I wanted to send it to the manager of the managers, but I don't want them to know it.
Mm.
I put him in the blind carbon copy. So then,
Gotcha.
Oh.
yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Nice. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I thought
Oh.
it meant batch carbon copy, but
Mm-hmm.
it's
Oh.
blind carbon
Blind, yeah.
copy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
that clears that up. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for clearing that up.
Right.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Oh man.
So go
Okay.
ahead and continue. Oh
Okay.
yeah, you
Continue.
can enable receipts. You already got it. It's true. And then go ahead and then if you publish, go ahead and publish it so you can send a test because you've already sent the test. But go
Yeah.
ahead and publish it so you can come over to your form. Now
Let's
you
do
don't
it.
have to put a version name in. That's only if you're keeping version control. And you're not
Uh,
keeping version control. Version control meaning that you're keeping track of each version so that you know what changes
uh,
were made and all that sort of stuff. And you have numbers that you're referencing back in case you need to roll back to a number, then you can
okay.
put those numbers in here and they'll maintain that version history for you and you can roll back. But if you're not doing any of that, just go ahead and publish. So this version is published now. Now you can close this form preview out and you can come
Okay.
back over to your form and just run a test. So just go ahead and preview your form again, submit it, and you should receive an email.
Okay.
This is cool.
Submit.
Yeah.
Hey,
And
I'm
then,
glad
so
you
how
like
do
it.
I,
Mm-hmm.
oh my God, embed it? And like, how do I, well, number one, I want to make another page, but I want to duplicate the page I already got, but I just want it a blank.
Yeah. Okay. So you can
Uh-huh.
you can make so first of all check make sure you got the email. But besides
Okay.
that, you can just create a new page. You can just hover over new and create new. It's
Okay.
starting
Go
to
to
look
my
good, Trey.
dashboard.
Yeah, you
Mm-hmm.
can no,
Oh,
you can
thank
just
you.
hit new page
Okay.
from right here if you want, since you're right
Okay.
here already. You could just put your cursor right here over new where my
Oh,
yep,
there you go.
and then
Okay.
page. Yeah.
Page.
If
Okay.
you was in the back end already, you got a pages menu on your sidebar that you would just click. But
Okay.
now you can start off by giving the page a title.
Context. Okay. This context.
And you said you wanted to clone a different page. You want
Yeah,
to
I want
copy
like
it.
you see how like the front
It's
page you
okay.
saw.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
want
We'll
that
do.
background.
That's fine. So
Okay.
go ahead and just publish this page.
Publish
Go ahead and publish it. Yeah.
again. Okay.
Let's
Publish
the
it.
first
Okay.
thing we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and add it to your menu. So
Oh.
go ahead
Oh.
and click this little WordPress icon over here, and then go to menus. Hover over appearance and go to menus.
Appearance and go to menus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then right here, you got your contact right here. Put a check mark in this little box. Hit add to menu.
Add to menu. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And now put a check mark right here in primary and secondary. Primary and secondary. And also you don't have a home page.
I
On
don't.
your, well, not
Oh,
on your menu. We're gonna put a home page on there too before you save it. But put a
okay.
check
What
mark
is
in your primary and in your footer. Excuse me. I said primary, secondary. I meant primary and footer.
it?
And
Okay.
then come over here and hit view all. So just hit
Okay.
view all and then hit front page IT tray right
Okay.
here. And then hit add to menu. And it's gonna put that at the top.
So that's gonna be my home page.
Yeah, you can rename this to home if you want. Just
Oh,
hit
I
this.
can.
Yeah, hit this drop down arrow right here.
This one.
Well, the one on the
Oh,
page that you want to change. Yeah, and then you can just rename it right here to home.
okay. Let's see.
And now you can just click save menu right here.
Save
So
menu.
now what you've done is you've just added it to your menu. So now go ahead and go to your front page and then click contact and then you'll enable Visual Builder.
Okay. Oh, awesome. Okay.
So now go to contact
Yeah, contact.
and then enable Visual Builder.
Enable. Yeah, I want to embed that form.
Right, but what we're going to do first is you said you wanted to copy the
Yeah.
home page. So
Yes.
when this opens up, so go ahead and hit enable Visual Builder again. Sometimes you got to click it twice because the first thing it'll do is just set the page. The second time you click it, it'll actually load. And you're going to choose this third option that says clone an existing page once this loads up.
Oh wow.
So clone an existing page right here. Yep, choose page. And then just select your IT trade page right here. Just click it.
This one.
Yep.
I just click it. Okay.
Yep. Just click it. And then hit use this layout.
Use this layout.
So now it's just going to load that layout onto the page, but then you can make any
Oh
changes
wow.
to it that you want to make. So
Okay.
so let's say that you wanted to delete all of this
Yeah, I want to
content.
delete all the extra sections and stuff. I
So
just want
so
one section, but I like
you, so just keep that section and then put your cursor and like actually you can the easiest way to do this probably would be to click this button over here and come back over to your grid, your wireframe layout. So down here, yep, your wireframe. Click that. And then you can just scroll up and we're gonna keep this first one, but you can delete this one right
yeah, I
here.
just want one section.
Yep. So you can delete this one right here. So where it's blue at, click that delete button right here on this one. And then the next one, do it. And the next one, do it. And the next one, do it. There we go. Now come back to your front end. Come back to the desktop view. Yeah. So
Okay,
now if you
awesome.
scroll down, you'll see
Oh,
you're
awesome.
right.
Yes,
So
perfect.
now what we're gonna do is first of all,
I want
close
to
your
get rid
form.
of all this. Cause this
Oh,
is where I
okay.
want my contact form right here.
You want to put your contact form right there?
Yes.
So then, okay, but before you put it right there, I want you to close this uh, form preview out, and we got to go to your Gravity form and get your form short code. So first,
Okay.
let's close this. I just like to keep extra tabs out the way. So go ahead and close this form preview.
Okay.
And now hover over forms. Just hover over forms, and we're going to open this up in a new tab. No, not that forms right here in your toolbar.
Oh, okay.
In your toolbar right here. And now don't click it yet. Just hover over testing. Hover over. And we want to open this up in a new tab. You can right click on edit and then hit open a new tab. Open a new tab right here at the top.
Oh, new tab.
Yeah. And now go over here.
Okay.
And now hit where it says embed.
Embed.
And then right here where it says copy short code, scroll down and copy that short code. Now come back over here to the front end. And then you can just drop this if you wanted to get rid of that. Just hit the delete key. Hit the delete button right there. Yeah. And now hit this little plus button again. So if you hover over here, hit that plus button.
This one or the green?
Yep. Add new module. You can just hit that one because you can rearrange them if it don't go in the right place. And now select code. Let's use a code module. Yeah, code. And now go ahead and just paste that short code in there. And then go ahead and hit the check mark. So now that's going to put your form right there. See how
I
you got
can't
your
read it
form?
though.
Huh?
It's
Okay, so
saying,
put a background behind it. So
yeah,
you can put a background behind
okay.
the so go ahead and hit this gear wheel.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And let's hit background right here. Background down here. Yeah. Let's put a white background behind it for
Yeah.
right now. See?
Awesome.
Yeah. And now let's put
Oh
some
my
padding on
goodness.
there. Let's put some padding on here so it make it look nicer. So go to design, go to spacing. And then let's put some top. Let's put 25 on the top and bottom. So type 25. And that's gonna put it in both. Let's put 25 on the left and right. Go ahead and anchor them. Yep, and then put 25, and you'll see it's gonna put some
Wow. Oh
right there.
my goodness.
Now you can another thing you can do, like if you can do all sorts of stuff, but you can like put a drop shadow on it. You can style it up, make it look
Yeah.
nice. But go ahead and hit that green check mark.
Okay.
That's another thing I'll get into in this class if you all want to, is like styling stuff
Yes.
using all those
Yes.
buttons. But
Yes.
now go ahead and hit save.
Save.
And then exit your visual builder.
Exit visual builder.
Mm-hmm. And there you go. So now you can submit that form.
Wow. I want to. Oh my goodness.
Question.
I already got
Sure.
a lot of stuff
So
I want to change.
you've seen websites like when you first get to the landing page, it automatically pops up that, like, if you want to join the
Oh.
newsletter
Snap.
box,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
that the same
You
as
want
doing it
that?
through, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why does
Yeah,
it say
sure.
testing?
So
Is that the
okay.
name of the forum?
Hmm?
It says testing.
Well, that's the name of your form, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can
If I
go
want.
change the name of your form. Just go to your forms, go to settings. Do you see how your name is testing right there? So just hit the settings. Hit settings right there. Hit form settings. Form settings right there. And then you can just change the name right there.
Oh, okay.
So
Form
okay,
settings.
so let me show you about that. Let me show you a solution for that. And I'm going to give it to you. But let me show it to you first.
Okay.
Trey, can you stop sharing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to share. Okay. Okay, so there is a
Oh my freaking
plugin that's called, yeah. So you got Bloom is a good email opt-in plugin. Um, you want an overlay, right? You want
Right.
like a pop-up notification
Mm-hmm.
that tells you to do something.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, either using Bloom or Monarch, or if you want, there's also this right here, pop-ups for Divi. So something like that,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Something, yeah, like that.
And then give them the option to close it. Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So if you come here under pop-ups for Divi and just hit this free download, it's right here. I'll send it to how do you want me to send it to
You
you?
can put it in the chat.
Put it in the group chat,
Mm-hmm.
in the Instagram.
Correct. Yes, sir. Uh-huh.
Okay. One moment.
God.
There you go.
Cool beans.
So now, tell you what I'll do.
Mm-hmm.
Um, best way to help you get this is activated. I guess the best thing for me to do is to make you a video tutorial. So if I do that, I'll make a video of me downloading and installing this plugin
Mm-hmm.
and then configuring it. And so it'll probably be about a 5-minute video,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll post that video inside the group. And then what you'll have to do is you'll download the plugin, upload it into your WordPress, activate it, follow the steps that I show in the video, and then you'll have your pop-ups like that.
That'd be awesome. Confetti, yes.
Okay. And
Thank
that's the thing. Like
you.
anytime you all need something like that, just like you just did, just let me know and I'll find a solution for you or tell you how to do it. Okay.
Thank be
Make
good.
a
Thank you.
video
Thank
showing
you.
how to
Thank
do it.
you.
No problem.
So I just added a message field to my form. So you said when I make a change, I have to totally let's see, go back here to Zapier and go to here.
Yeah. And then so go ahead and edit right here. You have to
Oh,
hit
this
your edit
the
pencil.
pencil. Okay,
Mm-hmm. And then come down here and refresh fields.
refresh
Just hit
fields
that. Yeah. And then hit continue.
and continue.
And then come down here. Scroll all the way down.
Oh, I gotta submit it. I gotta do a
Yeah.
test too.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you haven't submitted the field form
Yeah,
yet. Yeah, you got to
let me
submit
go
it
do a
first.
test real quick. Yeah, message, go to preview. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna fill this out. And then this. Oh, why is this spaced out like that?
What is it?
What?
It's so spaced out, like just triple spaced, and
Where?
type in the
Oh,
Does
message
it tell?
field box. It's so spaced out, like it's so much space in between the letters and the
I
words.
think yeah, I think it just yeah, it's just because of this.
Okay.
But you don't have to submit it here, Trey. Go submit it on the front end. You've got it on the front end of your website now. So submit it
Oh
on the
yeah, I
front
sure
end.
do.
So you can close these
Okay.
form previews out. You don't need those now.
Okay. Let me close that.
Close that one out too.
Yeah, I'll
No,
close
that's your
that.
form. You don't have to. Yeah,
Oops. Oh my
it's
bad.
okay. You can get back to it. But yeah, go ahead and go to your front end and just submit it on the page. Go to your contact page.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go to contact. Okay. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in. Let's see this. I think it is a test. Okay. And then I'm gonna submit. Okay.
Okay, so now come to your contact form on Zapier, and then go ahead and you can just scroll down here and hit uh
Great.
find new records. Yeah, and
And
now there it is. Scroll all the way down.
name, phone. The message is not on there.
Did he choose the right one?
Choose right. Scroll up over here. Scroll.
Hmm.
Hit
Maybe D.
hit it. Hit the refresh again.
Okay.
Find new records. Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Scroll down under
Oh,
H. See,
H.
you got
Oh,
yeah. There you
It
wow.
go.
showed
Okay.
up. Okay.
Yeah. Scroll down.
Yep,
There it
there you
is.
go.
And then
Okay.
continue with selected record.
It just took a
And
while.
yeah, and that's all you and then go ahead and so now you want to update your email. So go ahead and continue and go to your action and update your email. Put after your phone number,
Oh,
drop
okay.
down and
Let's
then
type in
put the
message.
message. Mm-hmm.
And then message.
Bam. There you go.
Wow. I'm gonna love this. Push continue.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nothing. Oh, it's
And
something.
yeah, you're good. Scroll down.
Oh, it did it.
Scroll down. Continue.
I push continue.
There you go.
Oh, there it go.
Publish.
Oh, and
Yeah.
publish.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can retest the step if you want to, but you can just publish it because and then you can, if you want to test it again, just submit the form
Wow.
again if you want to just like
Yes.
test it going through all the steps.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
For
Yes,
sure.
thank you.
No problem. Any other questions or anything?
Wow. This is
No?
just amazing what you're
Mm-hmm.
doing. I told
Yeah.
this is
Mm-hmm. That's
amazing.
totally amazing. I mean,
I'm
Yes.
glad everybody likes it. And I apologize for the hang up earlier.
hey,
Oh, this.
I make mistakes too.
Hey. Oh yeah. Oh, of course.
you're
You're human. We
human?
all
Oh
human.
my gosh.
Oh my goodness. This is it. See, yeah,
Even
even
machines make mistakes. All the mistakes that
exactly,
things is making.
exactly, exactly.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so let me
Yeah.
see. Okay, so thank
All
you.
right. Well, all
Okay,
right,
thank
everyone. I
you.
guess we'll
All
head
right.
out.
Yes, thank you,
Yes.
sir. See you
Thank you so
later.
No
much.
problem. No problem. Y'all
Okay,
have a great evening and have a
you
good week.
too.
And
Oh
yeah,
yeah,
just
let me ask you a quick question. I know it don't got nothing to do with the website part, but have you you said you submitted for Ready Player Me? Have you
yeah,
seen the Ready Player Me Studio?
I've seen it. Yeah, but I haven't used it because you can pretty much only use the avatars inside of your own projects. You can't. It's not like you can't submit them from your studio into Spatial, for example, for someone else or anything like that. So it's not really interesting for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I've uploaded an avatar for my friend in Spatial
Mm-hmm.
before, but like with the studio, like I can go in here and I can copy the mesh and
Mm-hmm.
make my own clothes, and I have my avatar on Ready Player Me,
Mm-hmm.
but then like I can't change into it, and like on stuff like
Right. You
the
can't. Nope.
application,
Yeah, and
and
that's the
I'm like,
because
man,
what you do is you can use it if you was to build your own Oculus game.
uh,
You could connect it to the Ready Player Me library and bring in avatars that way.
see, I made an asset right here, and this is the shirt that I made, and it
Ah,
even shows
nice.
in your asset,
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
but it's on Ready Player Me, but I can't go until like if I
You
go
can't. Yep.
into yeah, that's
It can't.
crazy.
Yep. They don't let you have access to it like through third party applications. But
Wow.
if you was to build your own app,
Yeah,
then you would be able to integrate Ready Player Me, and then you would be able to
exactly,
access that shirt in your app through their SDK.
exactly.
Yeah. Hey,
Okay.
speaking of platforms, whatever happened to that guy that was making Utopia? Is he still
He's
doing
still
Utopia?
around. Yeah,
He's
he's
still
still
doing
working on it.
Utopia?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Still actively, adding builders and all that kind of good stuff.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Sweet. Yeah, I was
Okay.
wondering how that project was
Okay.
going. I
Awesome.
hadn't
Yeah.
heard anyone mention it in a little while. I was wondering how it was
Mm-hmm.
going. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Awesome.
yeah, something like that. Like he would be able to leverage the SDK if he wanted to bring in the avatars.
Uh-huh.
He could connect to the Ready Player Me SDK, and he could allow people to bring their assets and avatars
Okay.
in through the SDK like that. So that's what that's
Okay.
for. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then. Well, thank you
Cool.
so much,
But
Rich.
No
thank you
problem. No
guys.
problem.
Thank
All
Well, y'all have
right.
a
Thank
great
you.
you.
evening
Yeah,
and have a
too.
great week and
Don't
see you next
forget the
weekend.
cash
All
app.
right.
I won't. I will send it.
Okay.
I'll send it here shortly. Thank
Okay.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Okay.
No
Bye-bye.
problem. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.